Right, Legendays, right, Legendays, right, legends. We have to talk right now. We do have to talk right now about Shiba Inu. Let me make sure the stream's all working. Are we all in here? Yes, we frickin' are. What's crack-a-lackin' home dogs? Frickin' out, look at Shiba, man. Like, guys, it's 2:30 in the morning for me, right, where I am, right? I'm knackered as shit, but you know what? I got to stream this. It's actually nearly 3 o'clock in the morning right now, but I got to stream Shiba Inu. Guys, I made a name for myself shorting Dogecoin. I shorted Dogecoin at 65 cents, made a fucking killing on that trade. Literally became famous for calling that because at the time everyone said it was going to $1 and I said there's no fucking way, and I shorted it at 65 cents and actually made an absolute killing on that trade. Yo, what's up, legend? Hit the like button. Guys, when you come in, hit the like button. It's 3 a.m., but I got to talk about Shiba right now. I am looking for shorts on this, guys. And also in this video, I want you guys to tell me in the frickin' MDX Legends group what is going on with Shiba, because I don't know much about it. I actually don't know much about Shiba. I don't know what the announcements are. I heard it's going on like Robinhood or something. So you guys can help me as well. You tell me what's going on. I'll be able to have a look at and analyze this. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, right? I'm going to chart this out. And I'm going to say to you that I'm looking for shorts on Shiba. I am looking for fucking shorts on Shiba. Hit the like button as well. Smash that like button, legends. You know what to do. It's a super, super late stream for me. It's 3 a.m., but let's go. Right, so daily. Right, let's start with the fucking weekly, okay? It's only been out. I don't even know what exchange it's on. Obviously, I don't need to know what exchange it's on for this pump. But it's been on exchanges for a little bit longer than this. But let's just chart this out, legends. So we have the general weekly high we just got here, okay? Previous weekly high. This looks like it's going to be the October high. And then we have, before that, it is the beginning of October. They're not going to be perfectly aligned. And then we have the levels down here as well. So let's have a look at this high level here. We've got down here. This is going to be down at the September levels, okay? So let's drop down to the daily, see what we got. Right. This is actually this is a deviation of a deviation right now. That is a serious deviation play right there. At the end of the day, you can see resistance came back down, found support on the lid of the move, broke it, deviation. So that's actually fucking bull town as hell. Like, where the hell is my thing? Sorry, legends. The reason it's not letting me work this shit, I usually have my mouse on a magazine to make it smoother. Let me just quickly sort my life out. But it's going to be just going to quickly stream this. Right, I'm back, man. I can actually move around. That was actually horrible doing it on that surface. So, yo, you can see here, guys, deviation play here like that. Oh, God, look at the smoothness of this now. We're back. Come on. Anyway, yeah, it's super late. I don't even know why I'm still up, but I am. So you can see here, guys, obviously have these levels here, but we'll kind of like get rid of that for this swing we've got here. You can see resistance, deviation play breaks the high, massive move higher. Resistance, back to the lid of the move, deviation play breaks up higher. Saw some resistance, retested its previous high price pretty well there, actually. Continuation, okay? So what's it done right now? Let's have a look at the Fibonacci. Let's have a look at just what's it done right now. We're on 1,300%, but that's not that relevant, to be honest. Let's drop down to a 4-hour on this. It's above all of its 4-hour EMAs right now. It's absolutely moon rocketing. In terms of Fibonacci retracement numbers, let's have a look what we got in terms of this. Actually came down. The golden retracement was that previous bit of resistance we saw there on Shiba. I love the way I'm fucking charting Shiba right now, Legend days. Anyway, let's get rid of that a second. Let's go from swing low to swing high on this next move. Swing low came in at the lid of the move we've got here. So we could potentially see at least, you know, a retracement. Right as of now, that's the top, which it might not be. Coming down to about, fucking, what even is that? This is charted out to USDT, so it's not even in Satoshis. But as you know what, I'm going to just quit the Fibonacci's right there and just go down to the lower time frames. That's what everyone's looking at right now. And like I have to admit right now, Legendaries, that this ain't freaking bearish at all. This ain't bearish in any way, shape, or form right now. This is actually super bull town. This isn't a bearish chart in any way. I'll go on to the indicators in a second. We'll see what the indicators are saying on this. The indicators are going to be bull town forever. Let me have a look at the MDX signals indicator on this. Shiba. Oh, God. Lovely old Shiba. Not to the euro, sir. US dollars, no. I can't believe it's on fucking Coinbase, man. Yeah, what is this world come from? So, yeah, you can see, guys, on the hourly right now, we had a long call on the MDX signals indicator. You can see here, massive expansion. The short, if you took that long, guys, obviously we know that the MDX signals indicator are going to be absolutely phenomenal on charts like this, guys, on tiny altcoins. They're not that manipulated. They're just literally pump and dumpers. You can see a 2-hour as well, massive long here. Legends, if you want to get access to these indicators, they literally freaking give you a long and short call. They help you trade the market. If you want to get access to these indicators, guys, go over to the MDX trading portal. The link is below, guys. You know what to do. I won't bore you to death with that. We're looking at Shiba right now. Yo, hit the like button, guys, if you own Shiba. If you own Shiba, hit the fucking like button. But I want you guys to tell me about Shiba. Is there something happening with Shiba Inu in terms of Robinhood? I don't know. You tell me. Shiba will make millionaires. It already has made millionaires. Obviously, like, Shiba Inu coin is a shit coin, guys. Let's be realistic here. Like, it's like Doge. I made a name for myself for shorting Doge. I'm going to make a name for myself for shorting Shiba as well. These dogs just won't stop fucking barking in my ear, Legendaries. I'm just going to slap them back and say, if you don't shut up, I'm shorting you, bro. I'm never buying a Doge, or I'm never buying a Shiba. If I don't really want to short Shiba. But right now, I got to look for shorts on this thing, because this is an absolute crazy move. And it could go a lot higher. Like, in terms of market cap, where are we? If it's anything over 100 billion, then I'm gonna start looking, like, seriously, like, what the fuck, Legends. I don't think it is 100 billion though. I don't think it broke its all-time high. Shiba, where the hell are we? It's probably higher than you think. Freaking, it's 11, man. $30 billion. Okay, Dogecoin went to $100 billion. I shorted it around that region. Now it's 31 billion. So it's actually basically the same as Doge right now. Shiba and Doge are on par with each other right now in terms of market cap. Obviously, Doge is down for the day, the last 7 days, and Shiba Inu is significantly up over the last 7 days. So this will probably, you know, Shiba's gonna have a correction at some point. It's not gonna carry on this freaking eschaton of craziness forever. You know, in terms of going from swing low to swing high, say that is the high there. You know, I could see this definitely coming back. This is actually really, really nice. The lid of the previous move. Actually, these levels are lining up very, very nicely. Actually, on the Fibonacci's, but we'll stick off the Fibonacci's for now. But guys, I can't lie to you. The hourly doesn't look bearish in any way, shape, or form. The 50-minute doesn't look bearish in any way, shape, or form. This is actually a pretty nice ascending formation right now. We know the formations, guys. Ascending formations go up. So if it does want to break this previous high price, it really is a blue sky breakout. It will probably go much, much higher. It's at 30 billion now. It could do a Doge. It could go up 70 billion. We are charting Shiba, Pete.
Yeah, I'm charting some chicken.
Are you? Yeah, we've got chicken on the go. Yo, listen. This is the dedication I have to this channel right now. It's 3 in the morning and I'm charting Shiba. It's insane. What the fuck is going on? Like, here we literally go. And, like, I've been looking at exchanges to short this on. I obviously use Femex, guys. Obviously, use the links to Femex and Bybit below to get those big bonuses, whatever. But basically, I was looking on Femex earlier. I'll quickly show you. So, guys, just to quickly mention to you, because you love it, if you like trading fucking cryptocurrencies and altcoins and Bitcoin, use Bybit to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and use Femex to trade altcoins. I actually looked earlier to see if Shiba is on Femex. It's not at the moment in terms of a USD perpetual swap, but you can see right now, guys, if you want to get a Bybit account, you get a $3,500 bonus if you use the link below, and Femex as well. Get those big bonuses for Bybit and Femex. Those links are in the description, guys, to get those bonuses for traders. But Shiba, what's going on with Shiba, Legends? Hit the like button. You know what to do. Yo, MDX charting Shiba at 3 a.m. World gone mad. I know, man, it has gone mad, but I can't not look at this chart right now. Like, it's insane. Like, what the fuck's going on here? Send it? What's going on? Is the stream alright? Don't know what happened there. Some reason the stream cut out a second. I got liquidated 5 times. Shizzle my nizzle, bro. Hopefully the stream's alright, guys. Hit the like button as well. Hit the like button if you just come into this stream. Shiba is on Bybit. Fucking hell, Shiba's on Bybit. Right, Legends. I didn't even look on Bybit to see if it was on Bybit. I thought it was going to be on Femex. Right, guys. If you want to short Shiba, I can short it on Bybit. Okay, yo, this is going to be a sick trade. Okay, legends. Guys, you know I love Bybit. The link below to Bybit gives you a $3,500 bonus when you use the link to sign up, okay? If you sign up with that link, use the $3,500 to short the shit out of Shiba Inu, but not yet. I'm gonna short Shiba on Doge. I'm gonna short Shiba on Doge. I'm gonna short Shiba on Bybit. All right. But I've only seen this chart. I only just fucking found out about this. Literally, like, some guy was like, "Have you seen the Shiba?" I was like, "Oh, what?" So we're gonna go into it, Legendaries. It's way above all of its EMAs right now, so I'm not looking to short anything right yet. This looks like one of those charts to be on the 5-minute, man. It's moving so quickly. This is a very, very bullish formation, though. At the end of the day, what you could do is quite happily with this. You know, you could go from here to here. It's going to be around that kind of area. But on the lower time frames, obviously, this is a lower time frame chart to go on. You have an uptrend. Like, it's an uptrend, yo. You could even say that the real level to break is going to be around this level here. You've got a few levels, you know, this kind of like resistance, but it's going to be a bit wishy-washy. But for argument's sake, you can just say that it's an ascending formation for sure. Like, yeah, you can't lie on that one. Don't know what the long to short ratio is. Don't know. But guys, yo, if you want to short Shiba Inu, get a Bybit account, guys. You see this link here? That link is below. It says $3,500 bonus, Legendes. Get that shit. Because I'm even checking what I've even got down there. I even know edit this shit. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, it says $2,500 bonus, guys. You get a $3,500 bonus with Bybit when you use this link below, and you can use that $3,500 to short the shit out of Shiba. So what's going on? Short, sharp, and cheap. Yeah, short, sharp, sheep, short. Shiba Inu, man. Have you already started shorting? Okay, Shiba Inu is on Bybit, which is good to see. You don't have a much available balance right there, sir, but Bybit added 40 to 50 trading pairs and DOT on perpetuals. Yeah, I've seen Bybit have really been adding a lot of altcoins. Like, I think, you know, because Femex do a great job of trading altcoins. I trade a lot of altcoins on Femex, but Bybit are ramping that up. You know, they're ramping up their altcoin selection. So there might be a day where I just say use fucking Bybit. But I do like Femex. You know, I think it's a good exchange. I think it's very good to have Bybit and Femex as two exchanges. They're very similar in UI. They're quite similar in terms of liquidity. Obviously, Bybit is doing a bit more than Femex, but you know, Femex is doing $200 million a day in trading volume. That's way enough for any of us to be trading. You know, even if you're trading $10 million, you know, in each trade, it's still enough to be trading on Femex. So there's no problems there in terms of liquidity. The matching engine on Femex is actually faster than Bybit's. So just get a Bybit account, get a Femex account, guys. All the links are below, and you get big bonuses when you sign up, all that kind of shit. You know what to do. But yo, Shiba! It's an ascending formation. It's probably going to go higher, guys. The probabilities we go higher on this. It's probably going to do something tonight as well. It's so quick moving. You know, look at this. On the MGX signals indicators, like what, bruh? Like what, bruh? Like what, bruh? That long there, man, it's an absolute killer. If you took that last long there, go from candle to wick, you know, we're looking at 115% move on that. So crazy. It's bubble. It's all of its EMAs. There's no point even looking at the higher time frame shit. You know, we've got these levels in. You know, I just did it from the weekly all the way down. These are all the weekly levels. Okay, the monthly is just going to be like, where's the monthly at? The monthly is just the fucking high. The monthly is the previous one. I think I'm on a crappy chart anyway. Maybe there's another Shiba Inu chart I can look at, but you know, at the end of the day, this is still okay. It looks like it's just breaking all-time highs. Is this an all-time high chart though? Let me just quickly check if there's another chart for Shiba with more price data. How long has it been on these exchanges? Has it been on KuCoin for ages? Did it go higher? Okay, it didn't even go higher on this one either. Crazy times, man. Shiba on to the moon, brother. Shiba to the moon, brother. But yo, we're gonna keep charting this for a bit, and I'm gonna give you my virtuals on where I'm looking for shorts. Like, there's no real way of knowing anything right now. It's in an ascending formation. The likelihood is it probably goes higher. If it breaks this trend line along here, it's not gonna be perfect. It's because it's Shiba Inu, but you know, you can see it's getting bought up massively on all these wicks on lower time frames, guys. This is hourly time frames just getting bought back up. Look at that shit. And they were really straight lines every single time. How the hell did I just do that? Yo, I'm just doing straight lines for days, people. Hourly charts. But yeah, if it breaks this here, you know, you could say potentially yes. You know, we could actually get a move down like this, and then potentially come down to some support levels. Which will probably going to be some sort of Fibonacci level. And I would say that the first real level you're looking at is probably going to be in this region here. This is all a bit wishy-washy. It's probably going to be around, ranging from around the high of this here, the resistance level here, to around here. And that's probably going to coincide nicely with some Fibonacci's. If you do a Fibonacci extension, retracement level on this, from swing low to swing high, it comes in banging actually in the middle. So I'd say probably around like here we'll come back to if we do break this trend line, but yo, I can't see any reason why this isn't going to go higher right now. This is an ascending formation. Why is this? It's moving so rapidly. The 5 minute just looks insane. Look at this buying and selling here. Like, what is that? Like, what exchange is this? This is Coinbase, actually. I'm on Coinbase, so this is actually spot. Crazy action going on here. It's probably better to have this on. If it's on Bybit, surely I could just look at the Bybit chart, right? Mate, you can trade Shiba on Bybit. I can't wait to short the shit out of this, bro. Yeah, I suppose you can go on Binance. It's probably going to be... Okay, Binance looks a little bit better, actually. We won't look at Coinbase. This spot action is just going to be crazy. Let's rechart this real quick. So it's got monthly levels. Monthly looks the monthly wick on this is actually completely different, actually. Let's have a look where we're at on this. Let's quickly whip this up. Put some levels in. So the monthly levels we have here, the high price we do have here. Well, I've already charted this before. Weekly. Okay, yeah. Oh, shitty manity. What the fuck's going on with the weeklies? Let's whack on some weekly levels as well. Weekly high here. Weekly high here. We have a couple of weekly bottoms here as well in terms of the swing here. That looks like a decent level to put on. Back to daily. I charted this out obviously before. So what was I looking at down here, man? This is crazy shit. Little Fibonacci moves down here. Like, this was ages ago, man. Let me just go into this. Yeah, this is just like, what's the point? It did its Fibonacci retracement. So let's have a look here and get rid of all these lines down here. So yeah, Shiba. Absolutely fucking phenomenal move. 4 hour. Yeah, so this is a nice little deviation play it played out here already. So you can see it came up here, found resistance beautifully, held support 3 times, deviation, retest, bang. So that's all just textbook shit right there. What is the move from the low anyway we got here? 1 second. If you go from real low to low, what the zoot happened there, sir? What the zoot allure? Let's do fucking measurement tools 1 second on this. I can't believe I'm charting Shiba at 3 AM. It's a bit mental, isn't it? How much Shiba do you own, Pete?
More than I have today.
Really? Okay. Right, so this is a trending market. Like, I can't believe I've been saying these words. So yeah, Shiba's a trending market right now. It's uptrending pretty darn aggressively right now. You have to chart this on such lower time frames as well. Like, you can't even get, like, it's moving so rapidly. You know, this is looking good. You definitely have a nice little level you can play off here as well. I'd say probably gonna go for around here. It looks like it's about to break, guys. Like, yo, it's gonna go higher. The likelihood is it goes higher. Everyone loves Shiba. Everyone's just flooding in here for Shiba. Go check out Chart Champions. The real G in the game. MDX isn't some snout-nosed moron that will expose himself to getting wrecked, lol. Yeah, well, I'm not going to short right now, obviously, no. Like, this is going up. Like, I'm not looking to short the market right now. I'm looking for shorts, right? I'm looking for an opportunity to short this market. Like, there's a big opportunity here. You know, this is a fucking shit coin. There's no real long-term value proposition to Shiba Inu, like there isn't for Dogecoin. Like, what is it? Like, what if there was one word to describe what Shiba Inu is, it would be a meme coin, right? It wouldn't be money. You wouldn't call it money. Like, Bitcoin's money. Has the best properties to be money. It's portable, durable, divisible, fungible. Has a fixed supply. Can't be debased. It's decentralized. You can move it quickly around the world. It's like the ultimate money for the digital age, Bitcoin, right? But Shiba Inu has a supply, right? What the fuck is the supply on this thing? Who knows what the distribution of wallets are, right? In terms of, is it distributed? So probably not. It's got like 1 trillion tokens, right? Which is just a fucking joke. The market cap's growing rapidly, but it's a huge supply, which it ultimately doesn't actually matter, right? How many tokens there are. Like, you know, if Bitcoin had 1 token, it would just mean it would be infinitely divisible down to 100 million. And it'd just be 1,000 Satoshis, would be like, you know, a lot of money. But, you know, ultimately it's a matter of the amount. But where are all these tokens held and who holds them? Also, is it proof of work? Is it proof of stake? Someone enlighten me, because at the end of the day, I'm looking at a meme fucking coin right now, which is way overbought. A decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. Like, what do you mean? Why does it have to be a vibrant ecosystem if it's money? It shouldn't be an ecosystem. It just should be a completely non-biased, non-subjective accounting tool for an economy if it's going to be good at being money. Why we need an ecosystem, sir? We need a community. No, it's just money. Vitalik Buterin burnt some of it. Right, so let's have a look at some of the freaking goddamn how to buy it. You can buy it on Shiba Swap. Yo, it's actually got a sick website as well. So what's the actual, like, fundamental utility? Like, what is the actual, like, freaking fundamentals of this thing? Ecosystem, Shiba Swap. I don't want to buy it, no. I want to short the shit out of it, man. Okay, well, I don't know. A foundation currency that allows investors to hold millions and billions or even trillions of their wealth in their wallets. It's called unit bias. Bones, 250,000 tokens. Yeah, it's called unit bias. Like, all these projects, they basically make it so it's like got hundreds of trillions of tokens. So when someone comes in and buys like $1 worth, they have like 100,000 tokens, and they're like, oh yeah, Shiba to $1. Because they're like, oh, if it goes to $1, I make 100K. So everyone's like, wait, to one. It's just like, fuck off. It's just like, no, man. But you know what? It's working. At the end of the day, it's not. I wouldn't say it was a scam, because like the code is obviously out there and been audited and stuff, and like, you know, it's still a blockchain which is running. But how many tokens are owned? Can someone give me some information on this fucking shitcoin? Like, if I was to be really fair right now and just look at charts, I'd say, like, this is a really, really good looking chart for Shiba. Like, I can't lie, it just is going up. Like, it's in a huge uptrend. Hasn't broken any trend lines. It's above the EMAs. It's in an ascending formation. It's about to poise to strike. But I know what it is, so I have to think about shorting it, because it's made people generational wealth and lifetime money on the way up, right? And I want to be the guy who makes the generational wealth on the way down. So all the money which everyone put in, I want to take it. That's what I did with Dogecoin. Everyone went into Dogecoin. Everyone called me an idiot for shorting Dogecoin at 65 cents. They said it's all going to go to $1. It was a $100 billion market cap. The risk to reward for me was right, and I scaled into a short, and my entry was 65 cents, and it went all the way back down to fucking zero, and I made fuckloads of money. And I basically took everybody's money, longed it. Shiba's going to go up right now, though, by the way, guys. So, you know, I could go on Bybit right now and just start aping in. Even MDX shorted Doge at 67. Yeah, it was between 65 and 67 cents, yeah. So it's going to be an interesting short, like. Guys, tell me right now, are you long or short on Shiba? Tell me right now. Are we long or short on Shiba, legends, in the chat? Tell me if you're fucking long or short on Shiba, and hit the like button on the way in. Hit the like button and tell me if you're long or short, Legendays. Fuck! Pete's looking at me just like, yo, it's 3 a.m., bro. It's 3 a.m. out here. We're streaming at 3 a.m., Legendays. If you want a short Shiba Inu, or if you want a long Shiba Inu, get a Bybit account. The link below to Bybit gives you a $3,500 bonus when you sign up, Legendays. You can use that $3,500 to short the shit out of Shiba. You can short Shiba on Bybit. Use the link below to sign up to Bybit to short Shiba or long Shiba, whatever you want to do. I'm personally looking for shorts right now. Do you have some chicken on the way?
Yeah, chicken's looking good.
Nice, bro. Did you put the good peanut butter in?
Nah, it's the bad one.
Wait, why did you put the bad one in, bro?
Because there's more of it.
Mate, put the good peanut butter in the Shiba Inu sauce. Mate, what are you doing? I was so excited to put the good peanut butter in it. Now I'm fucking eating cans. Come on, Pete. We need to talk about this next time. We need the good peanut butter. We've got peanut butter chicken time. So, legends, we've come up with a new concoction. Oh, mate. I ain't got anything. Legends, fucking hell. We've made a new dish, right? I'm gonna have a van. It's called peanut butter chicken. And this is gonna be my next business venture, man.
Katsu chicken.
No, dude, not katsu. We can't let people on. No one can. People can't connect the dots.
The difference is it's called peanut butter chicken.
Yeah, the difference is it's called peanut butter chicken. And basically what it is it's just chicken with loads of peanut butter put on it at the end, bro. Shiba's going up. Told you Shiba's going up. That wasn't a hard shot, was it? You need to use the good peanut butter next time, bro. Oh, mate, it tastes good. Mate, Shiba's mooning right now. Shiba's literally mooning right now. It's an ascending formation. It's mooning. Like, who's buying this? I don't know. When am I going to scale into a short? I don't know. You can short on Bybit. Let's go. I'm eating chicken, man. It's 3 a.m. for me in England, and I'm eating chicken and watching Shiba Moon. Like, it's just insane what's going on in this world. It's peanut butter chicken time. There's good peanut butter chicken tonight, bro. It's going to the moon. It's an ascending formation. The only thing which will make me think that this thing's going to break is this trend line, man. And if I was a trader, I'd buy it. I'd buy this trend line if I was trading it for longs. I'm not trading it, obviously, because it's a shitcoin. And I'm trying to build legitimate products in this fucking industry which are good. But everyone's just trying to fuck around with shit stuff all the time. It's insane. Yeah, you know, I'd look to buy this trend line. It's above the EMAs. It's an ascending formation. This highest one will probably get tagged. Back down, hold, moon. See you later. What's the news? Is it going on Robinhood or something? Someone said it's going to start getting traded on Robinhood. Yeah, I know fucking there's already a dish with chicken and peanut butter. I get it. But it's called katsu chicken. We're basically making it different. We're calling it peanut butter chicken. And then we just make chicken on in a van, and then we just sell it with peanut butter on it. It's a big business. That is really nice. I'm really get used to that. What?
From now on, don't nobody talk to me directly. You understand? You got business with me. You talk to Huey. Huey, you talk to me. You got it? Damn it, never on the phone. You got it? I got it. All right.
That's hilarious. Check. Okay, let's have a look at what's going on in the mod squad. Oh, people coming in. If anyone got balls to short Shiba, go for it. I already got liquidated a few times, lol. Hashtag London. Fuck, dude. Yeah, so, you know, shorting a market, right, is difficult. Because usually greed comes in steps. You know, it steps up and up and up and up. And it's usually very, very difficult to time the top or bottom of anything. You usually have to go underwater for a significant amount of time before you catch a short. Because short, you know, catching fear is harder than catching greed generally in time horizon. So I'm going to short it, but I'm not going to short it now. I took a big risk on Dogecoin because I started laddering into my short as we were rising. I took the fucking trade because it was $100 billion. It was so over the top. And I did it on low leverage, which meant that Dogecoin had to go to like $2.50 or something for me to get liquidated. And I would have lost probably, I think it was around 50,000 or something. And that's not, you know what I mean? Like, that's not, that's, for me, to risk 50K to make what I made, it's fine. So, but it was risky in the fact that I was laddering into it. It could have done it. Dogecoin could have done some fucking stupid shit and gone to like, you know, $200 billion market cap, but it didn't. In hindsight, it was a successful trade. I made a name for myself doing that trade. And, you know, I'm tempted to do the same thing, but not yet. This is I haven't been looking at Shiba Inu as much as I've been. I was looking at Dogecoin a lot when Dogecoin was doing its stuff. Fucking hell. Looking at this. This is overbought, overextended, the whole fucking jajang. You know, let's have a look at some momentum. I've just been flat TA. So RSI, it's just a joke. It's way over on the daily. The RSI. That looks like, you know, it's something like this. This is this kind of time here. You know, back down. It's way overbought, right? Let's have a look at stochastic RSI. Yeah, it's overbought on the daily as well. And the daily is quite significant for Shiba. There's a significant time frame. It's moving so rapidly. 4 hours over, 4 hours over. You know, where's the TTM squeeze on this motherfucking thing? Let's have a look at MACD as well. MACD's what? Over. MACD's a joke. TTM squeeze on this thing. Let's have a look where we're at. Yeah, what the fucking... Yo, this is crazy shit. I'm gonna go. It's definitely overbought. That's to say the fucking least. It's 3 a.m. right now. I'm charting freaking Shiba. So it's overbought on all momentum. There's no divergences just yet. You could say we have a high here, have a high here. We have a higher high, and we have same levels of if that was, say, stop there, we'd have a big bearish divergence on the daily for Shiba, which is a big deal because Shiba's a big time frame for what's the monthly? It's just it's 1 month old on this fucking exchange, so it looks overbought in my opinion. I'll leave stochastic on for now, just to give us an idea of where we are. But even stochastic on the 4 hours over. But guys, momentum indicators on especially when you're in trending markets, momentum indicators are they can stay overbought or oversold for a very, very long time. We've seen that. That's why you have to look for divergences, because the market can keep just going higher and higher and higher with lower and lower momentum. All that basically means you'll see some sort of crash when the actual energy snaps. But right now this looks good. I don't see anything wrong with this chart. It looks like it's going to continue trend. It looks like it's going to go up. The only way I slightly get bearish on this thing is we break this level here. On the 5-minute chart, we're not even overbought on the stochastic. So I think it probably just does something like that and continues. And then I'll probably look for a short, guys, on Shiba when we get a retest. It's probably not going to be a significant retest on Shiba Inu, because it's going to be like, everyone's going to sell out and not come back in because it doesn't have any good fundamentals. So the retest will probably be a little bit less dear than you want it to be, but I'll probably look to try and short the retest. I won't look to ladder in now. It's not really that crazy just yet, but look, there is definitely going to be a thing. Short's going to get wrecked, you fool. Well, yeah, shorts will get wrecked, yeah, if they don't do it properly. That's what usually happens, because you got to remember. Do you think Shiba could get to 0.01? What is that? That's like, what is that going to be in cents? Like, what's it right now? 8. What is that? Like, what? 0.01? No, like, what the fuck is that? That'd be insane. That'll put it at like, I don't know, bro. I don't even know where that'll put it. I don't even know. I can't even do the math in my head right now. Wii U to $1 though, not Shiba. Way, yeah. There's way more of a chance of Wii U going to $1 than it is Shiba going to 0.01. That's incredible. That's an insane game. I don't even know what that would be. It'd be like, I don't know. It looks like it would be fucking 100x. Crikey. Let's drink some water. But yeah, like, it's not bearish yet. All I would say is that on the higher time frames, it is looking like it's going to come back down. The daily's over. The stochastic RSI is indicating to us that it's pretty overbought. 4 hour, it's indicating that it's overbought. Hourly, almost there. 50-minute, getting there. 5-minute, we're still in this fucking goddamn uptrend. And people love this because it's going to be so volatile. Like, look at the trading environment down on the 5-minute on this. It's going to be insane. On the indicators, look. You could have shorted this candle here, back down. You could have longed it back up, shorted down here, longed it from this candle here all the way up. The MDX signals indicators are going to do absolute wonders, guys, especially like the 1 minute and shit. I don't even know what it looks like down here. It's going to be crazy. Yeah, this is scalping heaven, guys. Like, you can literally take that candle short there. Now, I don't even know what percent that is. From this candle here, you could have made 13. What is that? 13%, bro? It's just insane, the moves, man. And then you've got here, from this candle here, you could have taken a long on Shiba from this candle here. Another 10%. Yo, this is genius. There's a long here on the MDX signals indicator from this candle here. That would have taken you all the way up to son. Let's just say you did it at the worst place fucking you could have got in. TP, 10% move. Short, look at that. Could have done another long. It's just yeah. Look at this long here on the MDX signals indicator on Shiba. You could have taken that from that candle there. TP would have taken you 5% move. This is a lot of fucking movement, guys. It's a lot of movement. It's tempting to get in. Look at all these, like, it goes overbought to oversold very, very rapidly. And if you want this indicator, guys, for Shiba, just go over to the MDX trading portal. The link is below to the MDX trading portal. It's completely free to sign up, guys. Completely free to sign up for the portal, for the dashboard metrics. But if you want to get the indicators, you have to pay a monthly, obviously, fee. $60 a month, you get 4 indicators, which literally help you trade the market. And all the links are below, guys, to sign up to the portal, and then you get the Discord server and stuff as well. You get the VIP Discord. It's gonna fuck no. Yeah, fuck no. No. Absolutely no. Like, no. Like, what the fuck? 4 trillion. That's like double the size of the whole market cap of the whole fucking crypto market. What are you talking about, legends? No. Peanut butter chicken time. That's so good. Delicious. Anyway, yeah, no fucking way. Nicholas, what's up? Nicholas Olkin. Olkin? What? Olinick. Love you, brother. I tried to tell you on your drunk cast, but you gave me memories of my brother who passed away in 2019. Oh, fuck. Shit, man. You have this soul and energy in business. Thanks for the memories of him. Dude, thank you. That's just an amazing thing to say. Thanks, man. Like, I'm sorry to hear about your bro, man. Fuck that shit. Yeah, it's just tough, innit, sometimes, life. I hope you're alright yourself, mate. But, yeah, if I can bring any joy on that level, fucking hell, it makes me feel good about what I'm doing as well. Because, yeah, that's like serious, deep stuff right there. So, yeah, I'll just try and be myself and just try and keep fucking doing the charts and doing the drunk streamers. And then, yeah, obviously your bro liked a bottle of rum. Drunk cast, yeah, like, yeah, sorry to hear that, bro. Fucking hope everything's all good. But yeah, I'm still here, man, just doing my thing. I'll always just be kicking, so. And thank you for the $10, man. Appreciate that a lot. And it's a nice comment. It's fucking 3:30 in the morning, and like, crikey Mikey. It's good to do a different time anyway on the streams, because, you know, frickin', I stream roughly the same time every day, but it's kind of good to stream now because this is going to be more of an American audience, I think, because most people here in England will be asleep. We'll ask the community right now. Where are you in the world right now, guys? Put in the flag. Where are you, Legendaries? Shiba Inu is strong. The Shiba army. Where are you from, Nicholas, as well, bro? Hope you're all good there, man. Nice comment, and stay strong, brother. I'll keep smashing it, the drunk streamers. USA, London, Canada, UK. Why am I still awake? Belgium, Alaska, Texas, USA, Netherlands, USA. Yeah, lots and lots of USA legends in here. Texas. Shiba 0.1. No, there's no way. Yeah, it's not. There's no way Shiba Inu is going to go to 0.01. Absolutely no fucking way. Madagascar, Croatia, Toronto. Nice, you made a 6x. If you made 6x on Shiba, just take the money, man, and put it in Bitcoin. Shiba is gonna go one day to nothing, probably. Shiba is gonna go so low in the future. Like, I can see Bitcoin in the next bear market doing another 75% correction. I can see Bitcoin going down 75%, and Bitcoin's known as a safe haven asset in terms of in the crypto space, and it will even be seen as a safe haven asset in the broader scheme of things in crypto. Sorry, in the world, in the actual global monetary scene. So Shiba Inu, when Bitcoin goes down 75%, which I think it will, Shiba Inu is going to go down further than that, very likely anyway. So yeah, I'm going to look to short Shiba. I'm not going to scale in yet because you're going to get wrecked. It's an uptrend. There's nothing on this chart telling me that this wants to go down yet. The only thing I've got in my arsenal of fucking things is that we have overbought momentum on some of the higher time frames for Doge. I mean, for Shiba. What's the weekly doing? Yeah, the weekly's a joke. Monthly, not even populated. So, you know, I can't bet against this yet. You know, I could scale into it, but there's not enough real like historical context for it. Like when we had Dogecoin, you know, it was miles above its all-time high, $100 billion market cap. We were at the big peak as well in Bitcoin. In terms of Bitcoin was at 64K. You know, this is like I can't build a strategy against shorting this right now without the risk of, you know, going underwater. You know, I'll look into it. I'm going to look at it short tomorrow. I'm going to look seriously at shorting Shiba Inu tomorrow. And I'm just going to try and come up with an idea in my mind of how I can do it with a low amount of risk, with a high amount of reward, and not get fucking wrecked. Okay? I'm just like have to go through that process. And it will basically probably encapsulate looking at general market cap, what's going on around the whole space in terms of this Robinhood thing, looking at momentum, and then waiting for a trend line to break, and then probably trying to play out some sort of either maybe get a little bit on from the breakout and then add to it on a retest. But I don't think it'll be a very, very significant retest on this asset, because I think most people, when they get out, they'll get out and they won't come back, because they'll just say, fuck it, I made my money on Shiba, let's go and buy a car. You know, you're literally buying a token, like, which isn't even liquid with most exchanges yet. Obviously, it's on a lot of exchanges, but like I'm saying, not many people would accept Shiba over Bitcoin. At least with Bitcoin, you know that millions of people know what it is and are prepared to swap it for something. It has high liquidity. You can match it up with lots of shit. But who the fuck wants Shiba, man? Like, no, it's not a better money than Bitcoin. So it's gonna be end up. All these people are just gonna get wrecked, unfortunately, if they keep going. Yo, Nicholas, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? All good. You remind me of him. Grinders never stop and party hard when they earn it like him. And you, va beach va. Legend, man. I never stop, bro. I literally, yeah, your brother sounds like a fucking legend. I never stop. Like, if I have one drink, like, I don't really, like, drink for casual or anything like that. I don't really, drink casually or anything. I don't, like, sit at home and have a beer when I get back from fucking, I don't really go to work anyway. I don't really have a job. Just do this every day. So I just do trading. But, like, I'm not really, like, I don't drink to, like, casually drink. I drink to get fucked. I drink to get smashed. Like, if I'm drinking, right? So, and if I do start, I really can't stop until I pass out. I don't know. It's always been a thing with me. I'm always the last one up, just carrying on going. It's just part of my personality, I'd say. And that's probably another reason why I got into trading, because that kind of personality trait just keeps you coming back to the screens, wanting to learn more, and also chicken, so peanut butter chicken time. One minute, it's too good. He does. Nicholas, you are invited to the 100k party, 100%. It's gonna happen soon as well. It looks like Bitcoin's fucking going for it. But anyway, I got fired from every job I've ever had, so I'm pretty like I'm not very employable in terms of like that. I just don't listen to what other people have to say. I'm just like, fuck that, I do it myself. I knew I had to be a trader from an early age. I knew that. And trading was a great thing for me. Like, it was, you know. Sorry, legends. It's like 3 in the morning. It's actually 3:30 in the morning now. Looks like it's a 4 a.m. freaking night for me. The chicken is infinite, so never stops. It's called peanut butter chicken. Not butter chicken, peanut butter. It's literally just chicken with peanut butter on it. It's cooked chicken with salt and peanut butter on it. It's a little bit fucked up. I've got more peanut butter as well. But I'm back in the gym, Legenders. I need that peanut butter chicken. Anyway, yeah, so, yeah, it's all about, like, trading. Also, Legends, if you're watching this stream right now, go and watch my last video I put up, this one here. How to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go and watch that. Go and just like bookmark it. Watch that whole video. I'm actually going to do another series. I'm going to do a whole series of these. Like, I'm going to do another video which is going to be called Top 5 Trading Strategies for Cryptocurrency. This one here is more about like what exchanges to use, what strategies to use. It's more of an overlay. But we're going to have lots of videos coming out, Legendaires. Definitely watch that whole video all the way through, guys. You'll get insane value if you want to try and start trading properly. Where are we in the chat? Yeah, so basically Shiba, this is not going to crazy numbers, legends. What do you recommend for a long runner? I'm from Spain. What do you recommend for a long runner? I don't know. I don't know what you mean, bro. Is Shiba more than Shiba more than Doge now? Is the Shiba Nation more than Doge Nation? Not just yet. Well, on CoinMarketCap, apparently it's got another $1 billion to go. Another $1 billion of added market share to come in. So it's not there just yet. But look, it's a massive candle up, right? So it's here we go. I'm not looking to short this just yet. 4 hour, all time frames look bullish. You know, every single time frame is bullish right now on Shiba. Every single time frame is screaming to buy in terms of the price rising. But the first cracks you're seeing is that generally momentum is overextended, okay, which is definitely a signal you want to look at, especially if you're getting bullish, bearish or bullish divergence. At the moment, we haven't got any bearish divergence just yet because everything's just at the very top. Do we have bearish divergence on any of the RSI right now? So we almost have it here. Like I would say this is almost as good as bearish divergence because, like, you know, you're at your top level. I'd say this is just it actually is bearish divergence, just about, if that is confirmed as the high. Because you can see you have this high here, you have another high, a much higher high, you have a huge high, and then you have momentum, which was at, the RSI was at 94, and now it's at 92. So it is bearish divergence, just about, but it's not very significant. You know, if this had have stopped here and then come down lower, it would have been more significant. But it is bearish divergence, as you see right now on the daily. So you have stochastic RSI overextended, you have bearish divergence on the RSI. 4 hour, it's just about very similar again. You know, it's almost bearish divergence, but it's not. But 4 hours way overextended. It's tempting right now to do something, you know. It's tempting right now. It's tempting for me to look at this coming down, right, and retesting something a bit lower. And where it would probably come down to as a target for a lower price. If you go from swing low to swing high, you know, you're probably looking around here, you know, around that, about 6,000, whatever, 6,000% or whatever it is. Probably get about there. And it's tempting, man. You can short this on freaking Bybit, legends. Like I don't like showing positions that much, but I'm gonna short this fucking asset. And I'm gonna show the whole thing, and it's gonna be fun. As long as it doesn't go to fucking 0.01 and I'm short 100,000. Like fucking, I doubt it does go anywhere. I'm gonna look at shorting this soon. I'm not gonna scale in just yet. But legends, remember, you guys know that I like trading on Femex for altcoins. So I trade a lot of altcoins on Femex, guys. And obviously there's a link below. My referral link's below for Femex. And if you use that, you get a bonus. And obviously I get a bonus as well for Femex. But when it comes to Shiba, you can actually short Shiba Inu on Bybit on leverage with the USD perpetual swap. So the good thing about a USD perpetual swap is that, and I haven't actually confirmed that, but someone told me in the groups earlier. I haven't actually seen that myself. But if you short on a USDT perpetual swap, it means when Shiba goes down, you make more dollars. You don't make more Shiba. You know, with Bitcoin right now, if you're using a Bitcoin perpetual swap, you know, when Bitcoin goes down, you make more Bitcoin, which means you make more Bitcoin on the way down, which is it's good if you're accumulating Bitcoin, but you know, you don't really want to accumulate Shiba if it's going to go to fucking Hades and not come back out of the fire. You know, so, you know, what you want to be doing is you want to be shorting this with a USDT perpetual swap. Bybit has it. Okay, and Bybit has some of the biggest liquidity and open interest and volume in the whole entire cryptocurrency sphere. So if you want to short fucking Doge, sorry, if you want to short Shiba or you want to long Shiba, use Bybit, use the link below, get the $3,500 sign up bonus, and use the $3,500 you get for free from using my referral link to fucking short Shiba. But don't do it right now. Just wait until I short. You can follow my trade on this one if you want, but be prepared to lose as well, because there's no guarantee I'll win this short on Shiba. Like I said at the beginning, there's no guarantee I'd win the short on Doge. There's no guarantee. So yeah, guys, use the link below to Bybit, get the bonus, and then you can actually short Shiba. Shiba Inu. You know Shiba? Yeah, Shiba Inu, huh? Yeah, sorry, 1 quadrillion. So actually it'd be 4 quadrillion, I believe. Sorry, 1 quadrillion, I mean. So it'll be 1 fucking quadrillion. So guys, Shiba Inu is never going to 0.01. Like it's probably not even gonna get to 16,000th of a fucking 1 cent, $1, whatever. What the fuck is it? There's so many zeros. It's 8. I'm just gonna call it 8,000th of $1. And it's unlikely it even goes to 16,000. Very unlikely. Doubling from here means it's at $60 billion market cap. And that's getting on Dogecoin levels when Dogecoin went to the moon. So it's around the same area, but it's the same as Doge, if not worse than Doge. You know, they're both great things for crypto. Like, you know, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are great for crypto because they bring in millions of new people. They're hilarious. They're funny. Like, they are very tradable as well. You can see here, looking at these indicators, guys, the MDX signals indicators. These are my indicators I developed, guys. You can see this is scalpable as fuck. Like, you can literally see short from this candle here. You could have made 10% on that freaking trade. This long here, Legendaries, you gotta remember, these calls are happening like a lot. I'm on the 1 minute. This is literally like, okay, how many minutes is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's about 30 minutes between that trade and that trade. 30 minutes. And then that's probably about an hour. 60 seconds, 60 minutes. You know, that's an hour. You could have made 10%. And like, obviously it's just going to be carnage for you, but like, it's fun. I should just use the indicator on the 1 minute and just start trading Shiba on with like high leverage. It'd be hilarious. And guys, at the end of the day, this doesn't look like it wants to go down yet, Shiba. It looks like it's still, it's an uptrending market. It's in a nice uptrend from down here. It's above all of its EMAs as well. The EMAs are actually very confluent with the this trend line here. This EMA line is a 21 and 55 exponential moving average. It's confluent. It's going up. You know, it's got some wicks even on the lower time frames. You know, it's probably going to break the high, and then I'm going to be, you know, after this ascending triangle gets played out. If I think it already is kind of getting there. If we come and break this high, I will. If we do get a deviation over this high, I'll look for shorts. You know, if we come up here, we break, and then we come down, it's weak, and we're like that, and then we get below it, then I'll look for a short. I'll look to scale in at least a little bit of a short. Maybe do like start off with. You probably don't need that much to make a lot on Shiba. Like you probably don't really need to short anything more than 500,000 contracts on this to make a lot of fucking money, considering it went up 13x recently. So everyone will make generational money on the way up. I'm looking to fucking short this bad boy. And guys, I'm going to be shorting it on Bybit. And guys, there is a link below to Bybit, which is obviously my referral link. But if you use that link, I get a bonus, you get a bonus. And then obviously it's a win-win for everybody. And then you can actually use Bybit to short Shiba Inu, because Bybit has Shiba. And you can short on Bybit with a USDT perpetual swap, which means when it goes down, you make more fucking dollars, you make more USDT, not more Shiba. But yeah, let's have a look what's going on in the old chats right now. Here we go. ETH, Coinbase trade, ETH and Shiba. Why is it Shiba the #1 coin on it? Can cryptocurrency solve cannabis financial needs? I just don't know how those things are linked right there. Love your MDX. You're hilarious. You're fucking hilarious, brother. I'm up at 4 a.m. right now. It's 3:45 in England right now. You bugging. It's always at least unexpected who ends up getting it. Check out Snood chart. Hold Shiba. Right, guys. Who holds Shiba in chat right now? Tell me in the chat right now. Do you hold Shiba or do you not hold Shiba? Also, Legends, we only have 260 likes. If we get to 500 likes, I will go into Bybit and short Shiba right now. It's probably not a good thing to say. I'm giving you a minute. Because I don't know if it's ready yet. We're not ready for shorts just yet. But who holds Shiba in the chat right now? Tell me in the chat who holds Shiba. Who's holding Shiba, sir? So many people holding Shiba, man. Oh, fucking everyone's liking it now. Long hodl Shiba. Shiba. Oh, mate, it's 4 a.m. and I'm talking about Shiba, man. It's 4 a.m. and I've charted Shiba and it's not. It looks good to me. It looks like it wants to carry on. Like I think you know, a lot of people would have tried to have got into a short here, and they're just gonna get stopped out and it's gonna flush high on this one. I'm not looking for shorts just yet. It's absolutely moonshotting. But you guys, you know what? I'm going to build up a short on Shiba Inu. I am going to build up a short on Shiba Inu. It's going to be on Bybit, guys. You know I use Bybit to short. Well, the thing is, I would have thought Femex would have had Shiba Inu. But actually, Bybit have added fuckloads of altcoins now. So I'm going to short Shiba Inu on Bybit. If you want to short Shiba Inu on Bybit, use the link in the description. It's my referral link. And it will give you a bonus when you sign up. And also, it gives you a bonus. It gives me a bonus. We all win. And then you can short Shiba with the free $3,500 you get on Bybit. And also, guys, Bybit's doing a bit competition right now. And not all the places have been taken yet. So if you sign up to Bybit with my link below right now, you will also get, I think, 10 free bit tokens in your account, which is cool. We appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you too. No Shiba is here. Everyone's just chatting Shiba right now. Shorts incoming. 300 million. So guys, if you're in the chat right now, what I'll do is I'll give away, I don't know how much 1,000 Shiba is, I don't know. I'll give away some crypto. Everyone who's in the live chat right now, come over to the MDX Legends group, guys. You can see here, this is the MDX Legends Telegram group. Everyone in the chat right now, come over to the MDX Legends Telegram group, and someone put a legitimate reason what the fuck is going on about Shiba. In terms of like what's actually happening with all this like hype around Robinhood and stuff. MDX Legendes. Yes, the MDX Legendes. Fucking love you, Legendes. Should we do a video here? I'll do a little video on my Instagram right now. I'll do a video on my Insta as well. It's going to be a hilarious video. Right, so... yo. Fucking hell, I messed it up. Right, so Logede's right, hello. So we are actually looking at Shiba Inu right now on the chart. And everyone in the chat is telling me that here we literally go is going to them. We've got 700 people in here right now. Everyone's... Well, the farmer's blousting fucking shit in there anyway. But we're talking about Shiba Inu and shorting this market. Right, hello. So we are actually looking at Shiba Inu right now on the chart. And everyone in the chat is telling me that here we literally go is going to them. We've got 700 people in here right now. Everyone's... Well, the farmer's blousting fucking shit in there. Logede's right, hello. So we are actually looking at Shiba anyway. But we're talking about Shiba
That's hilarious.
shorting this market anyway. Logede's right, hello. So we are actually looking at Shiba Inu right now on the chart. And everyone in the chat is telling me that here we go is going to them. We've got 700 people in here right now. Everyone got my Insta. I'm going to post something now. 4 a.m. stream. Shiba. Is telling me that here we literally go is going to them. We've got 700 people in here right now. Everyone's... Well, the farmer's blousting fucking shit in there. Logede's right, hello. So we are actually looking at Shiba Inu right now on the chart. And everyone in the chat is telling me that here we literally go. It's going to. We've got 700 people in here right now. Everyone's. Well, the farmer's. Mate, the farmer was blasting shit in the chat right there. Yo, I went on it. It's just the fucking farmer just blasting it. Crazy shizzle. Listen, legends. You need to come in MDX Legends now. Everyone come and join the MDX Legends group. MDX Legends group right now. Shiba's fucking pumping right now. It's 4 a.m. right now. Right now! Keep saying right now. The Shiba Nation is going for it, dude. But I am going to short Shiba Inu, guys. That's the simple fact. I am going to short Shiba Inu. I'm going to make a name for myself like I did with Dogecoin. I shorted Doge at like 67, 65 cents. That was a good play, but it was risky. You know, if I had gone to 250, I would have lost the whole stack. And I wasn't using high leverage, guys. I don't use high leverage. So like a lot of these people who you see online, and they say, oh, I just placed a $250,000 trade. Oh, I just placed a $1 million trade. Oh, I just placed a fucking whatever trade. Guys, they're probably on 50x leverage. Like, you know, if you're on a 10x leverage, you can place a $250,000 trade with 25k. I don't use 10x, guys. Never use 10x. I use very low leverage, always below 3. Sometimes actually 1x. Because I still believe that using 1x leverage is actually good, because it means that you, especially if you're long in the market, what you can do is you can actually hold 1 Bitcoin, but then you can buy 1 Bitcoin with the 1 Bitcoin you hold. So your 1x. It's actually, that's even for me very, very, very good. All you need. So when I actually short, say 50, 100, 500,000, 1 million contracts, I'm actually shorting with pretty much the equity, what you can see. So that's the difference between someone who can actually fucking just think about the people who are still in the game. I've been in the game for 7 years. A lot of people come and go. Like the people who fucking survive, the way you really determine someone who can survive in trading is if they can survive a bear market. Trust me, fucking bear markets can wreck people out. I owed £500 of Shiba, which was originally 80. Yo, that's more than a 5x right there, dude. It's a big number. It's a big number. You know, it's a 5x. You know, at the end of the day, I wish I bought some Shiba as well. I wish I bought some Shiba, but I just don't have my mind set up to take that kind of like just crazy, just buying shit coins like that. I'm thinking about other stuff. Like I'm thinking about my business, my trading strategy. Fuck you know. I'm thinking about my business, my trading strategy, everything else going on. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to let Shiba go to the moon like it is right now. And then some people will make generational wealth on the way up. I'm going to make generational wealth on the way down. It's riskier. You know, if you buy it, you put in some money in it, you know, you hold it for 1 million years and whatever, it might go up higher than you thought. But the thing about shorting it is that I have to use sophisticated products on exchanges, which, you know, allow me to do these type of things, which make it very easy for us, by the way. You know, fucking, you know, it's very easy to click a red button, but actually a short is quite a complex thing. If you actually look at how a short actually works, right? You know, these exchanges make it make it very, very simple. But if you do if you try and short a market in like a traditional way or an analog way, or you know, kind of a way without all this fancy tech, what you're actually doing is you're actually taking a loan from somebody, and then you are not buying the asset which you were going to buy with the loan you got. And then what you're doing is you're waiting for the thing you're going to buy to fall in price to then buy with the loan. And if the price falls and you have a loan of a certain amount of money, you can then buy the same amount of the thing, right, with less amount of the money. So then you keep the difference. So you actually make money because you're like the money you borrowed, you can actually keep the difference, because you actually, when the price falls of the asset you're buying, you can actually buy the same amount of the asset for a less amount of the loan. So then you just keep the difference. That's how a short actually works. That's like the kind of, it's actually quite a complex thing to do a short. It's not really people don't really think about that, but it's actually not as simple as longing. But guys, fucking, I'm gonna look for shorts. I am going to short Shiba. I'm going to fucking do the same thing I did with Dogecoin, but I'm not looking for shorts just yet. It's just, this is not going down yet. This is a very, very good looking chart. Ascending formation. It's above a trend line. It's above all of its EMAs. Even the momentum on the lower time frames isn't overextended just now. Daily, yes, it's overextended on the daily. It's overbought on the daily. It's overbought on the 4-hour. RSI is confluent with that as well. So I think medium term, which is probably 2 days for Shiba. This thing's moving so quickly that medium term is probably like a week to 3 days. Short term is going to be like hours. So I'd say in the medium term, in the next few days, maybe a week, we'll probably see this come back down and retrace to some Fibonacci numbers, which will probably be this region around here, this kind of zone down here. I could see this is probably where the golden retracement comes in around here. I could see something coming down. And then, I'll probably look to get a short on Shiba when if we get a deviation over this level. That'll be my first level. That'll be my first thing I'd see. Okay, but if we come up here, we get a deviation over that like that, it will probably look a little bit more erratic than that. I'll probably come up and do that, and then it'll do this, and then we lost it. So if we get a deviation over this, then I'll say, yeah, sure, break the trend line. I'll start trying to get into a position like I did with Solana. I shorted Solana from 192. That went all the way down to, I think it was 120. That was a good short. So, but I'm not looking to short it just yet. And guys, I will be shorting Shiba Inu on Bybit. I didn't even know this myself today. This is the first time I heard about it, guys. But Bybit actually have Shiba Inu on a USDT perpetual swap. So I'm going to short Shiba Inu on Bybit. And guess what, legends? If you use my link below, the referral link below, you'll get a bonus. You'll get $3,500 bonus. And then you will be able to short the shit out of Shiba as well. But be careful, because Shiba might still go up a little bit more. Shorting is more difficult. So, yeah, if you want to get if you want to short Shiba, use Bybit. The link below, guys, gives you a bonus when you use it, and obviously it's a referral link. So when if you get a bonus, I get a bonus. Everybody wins, and then you can actually use the Bybit. Have just added like fuckloads of new altcoins, guys. There's so many altcoins on Bybit now. I think I direct a lot of my community and you guys over to Femex for altcoins, right? Because I believe Femex is a great exchange, super fast, good liquidity. List goes on. So I use Femex to short a lot of altcoins, but Bybit are trying to take a bit of that market. So at the end of the day, if you have a Bybit account and you have a Femex account, which I highly recommend, and a Binance account, obviously, I use Binance for like buying and selling generally. But if you have a Bybit account and a Femex account, that's a good way to hedge against each other as well. So, and you can't really miss any good altcoins now on even just Bybit and Femex, especially all the products they offer. Because the thing about like Bybit is you can use post only and reduce only, which are very, very good orders in terms of filling up the order books. So you can actually, if you use post only and reduce only, you can actually get paid to be a market maker, not a market taker. You're not taking from the market, you're making the market, so you get rewarded for it. But right now, Shiba looks good. Max wasn't thinking about Shiba because let's have a look what this guy said. Because he is too busy thinking about peanut butter chicken time. Peanut butter chicken time. Yes, brother, you know what's going on, man. FUD. FJB. Can you chart Shiba on Coinbase? Well, I really don't want to. Okay, here what's going on. Shiba Inu is now within range of displacing Dogecoin in the top 10. Well, I actually think Shiba Inu is higher than the top 10, I think, right now. I think Shiba Inu is actually at fucking, yeah, it's going to the top 10 right now. It is probably going to break it. I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen, though. It's an uptrending market. There's a lot of like, look at this thing. This is a good looking market. It's just going up. Everyone's buying, man. No one's selling. Everyone's buying. It's absolutely moonshotting right now. And right now, for me, Legends, it's 4 a.m. Like, come on, Legends. I might just do another stream about Shiba tomorrow. I might wake up and just stream about the Shiba Inu. I like these coins, hilarious. Shiba. But it's going up, guys. I've been said at the beginning that a second of this stream, it looks like it's going up. If we get a deviation, I'll look for a short. If we get a Wanga pattern, I'll look for a short. But right now, guys, this is not. It's not shortable, in my opinion. It's not shortable just yet. I'm not prepared to scale into this yet. I have no idea how high this thing can go. And that's not called... Shorting for me now is gambling. If you're trying to short Shiba right now, it's gambling. There's no way we can know how far this could go. It could go to $100 billion market cap. It could go up 3x. I highly doubt it goes to 100 billion. That's what Dogecoin did at the beginning. Like, but you don't want to bet against these fucking things. You know, at the end of the day, if it goes on Robinhood, you could see something pretty nutty. So I'm not prepared to short yet. I am going to look for shorts, guys, but I've got to see. Firstly, on lower time frames, I've got to see higher momentum, right? Overexhausted momentum. I've got to see some sort of deviation over a high, you know, some sort of break, you know, a lower high or a lower low. You know, I got to see a trend line reversal. I got to see some sort of moving average. I got to see basically, if I was going to see this would be the ideal situation for a short seller, in my opinion. A very sharp move up like this, right, with a retracement, a little basically kind of like some sort of descending formation above the previous high, and then a break down, create a lower low with a retest of the high, and then that would be, for me, my signal to say this looks good for shorting. Okay, and that would be probably result in a pretty actually like significant drawdown. Probably take it to the next Fibonacci level, which would be the 382, then the 78, and then the 618, the 5, all those kind of levels. That's the ideal situation. That's like textbook, like what markets do. But knowing, and also I think Shiba does trade very organically. It's not that manipulated. You know, what will probably happen is it'll probably do something like that, and then it will do something. You know, it will do something which is a bit out of the realm of people knowing what's happening. This is moving so rapidly. This market, though, it really does. Look at it go, man! Like it's literally just done already on this call here. If you took the last long on the MDX signals indicator from here, you're already up a little 1.3% on that trade, Legends. If you literally went long when they said to go long, you're already up, and like you could have taken that there. That's a decent signal right there. So you see here, oversold. That correlates with here. That correlates with here. And you can see when the candles go purple, it means it's potentially reversal. So you can see overbought came in here, back down as well. Look, that was there, back down. Overbought, small technical move down. So you can see, guys, that the here we go. Fucking hell. It's off to the races again, eh? But guys, if you want to get access to these indicators, which you can use on Shiba to trade, it's going for it. Go to the MDX trading portal. It's completely free to sign up, guys. The link below is to the MDX trading portal, and you can actually get access to the indicators through the portal. You just need MDX Premium. Yo, this is going for it. Shiba, it's 4 a.m. Legendays. I'm an idiot. Why am I up so late? I'm doing what I used to do back in the day, just sit up and stare at charts. It's going to be a hectic day tomorrow, but you know what? Fuck it. Yeah, I know Shiba's just going for it, man. Who is holding CVRV? Don't know. Guys, are you holding Shiba? Yes or no in the chat? Tell me right now. What's the time in so London is 4 a.m. New York is 11 p.m. San Francisco is 8 p.m. Beijing is the morning. Sydney's in the afternoonish. So it's just crazy, man. Like, yo, everyone's just Shiba emoing it right now. It's just pumping. Like, Shiba don't give a fuck. Shiba don't care, man. Shiba go up anytime. You be asleep, Shiba go up. You wake up, Shiba go down, man. Shiba. If I start shorting Shiba Inu, right? Okay, I actually said that if my short played out correctly on Dogecoin, I would buy a Shiba Inu. But nah. if I short Shiba Inu and I make a killing on it like I did with Doge, I'll buy a Shiba Inu. I'll buy a dog. I'll buy a Shiba Inu dog. But the problem is I travel a lot, so I might get attached to it and have to buy a house again and fucking just do. But if my Shiba Inu short, which I'm going to start scaling into, plays out, which I'm tempted to fucking... I got to think about this, but it's 4 a.m. and I'm just like, you got to be careful with this. All I know is this, guys. If you've just come into this stream, there is a link in the description to Bybit. And Bybit has Shiba Inu to short. So if you want to short Shiba Inu, the link below to Bybit, guys, gives you a $3,500 bonus when you sign up, right? And what you can do is with that bonus, you can short Shiba Inu for free. So use the link below to Bybit, guys. Get an account. Go to Shibu USDT perpetual swap. Use the bonus when you deposit to short Shiba. And if you get lucky, shorting Shiba Inu right now is gambling. Don't short Shiba Inu right now. It's gambling right now. It's on an uptrend. Everything's up, 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 up. But there will be a time, and then why am I'm like, my head is like, yo, I'm so tired. Fucking, there will be a time and there will be a place to short Shiba. Because this thing ain't gonna go forever. And like Bitcoin in the next bit, like even, okay, think about it, go macro. Think macro in your mind, okay? Fucking Bitcoin's probably gonna have a drawdown of 75% in the next bear market, okay? If Bitcoin's gonna have a drawdown of 75%, Shiba's gonna have a drawdown of 90% or more. So, you know, obviously the time horizon is difficult to be placing perpetual swaps, especially like, you know, instant fucking settled perpetual swaps. You know, maybe quarterlies or fucking yearly fucking futures would be cool, but there isn't many products like that for Shiba. So if I'm shorting it, I'm looking for a short to medium term play. I'm not looking to hold a short in Shiba for any time like over 6 months. If you're a believer in Solana, everyone come and join the chat as well. Everyone come and join the MDX Legends chat. We've got lots of people in here right now, all having a good conversation. Yeah, what the fuck, Shiba Inu? I know. Fun size going, yo, who owns Shiba? DJ Shiba Crypto. Yo, this is hilarious, man. If you're a Shiba guy, you know, if you're a Shiba dude through and through, you know, I went on Twitter earlier. Come over to my Twitter. I am going to be looking at shorting the Shiba Nation. So I'm Shiba streaming right now, yes. But guys, I made a name for myself shorting Doge. You know what's coming. You know what's fucking coming. This chart ain't, you know, this ain't right, Legendays. This ain't right. Not yet, mate. It has one more leg. I think I agree with that. I agree with that. I think Shiba has one more leg, yeah. Look at this chart right now. I can't get bearish on Shiba right there. This is a... this looks good to me. Yeah, Shiba's just... it's marching up. It's just marching. Which is great, sir. It's just marching. Also, Legendays, if you have just come into this stream, I highly recommend going on my YouTube channel and watching my last video I posted. How to make $100 a day trading on cryptocurrencies, 5 top strategies. Go and watch that video, guys. Watch that video from start to finish. You'll get massive value. I will show you how to basically use different trading strategies. I'm going to do another video as well, top 5 trading strategies. A more fast-hitting 5 to 10 minute boom, 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 boom one. You know, that's more of a long one. Talk about all the fucking shizzle and nizzle. So don't watch it now. Finish this stream with me. After, you know, bookmark this video, guys, and make $100 a day trading and watch that later. Please let your Twitter followers now... What? What's going on, bro? It says something about Twitter followers or something. Please let your Twitter followers know when you are shorting. Yes, I will, of course. Of course. Of course I will tell you. I will tell you when I'm going to start my short. But, that video was awesome, MDX. Hodl Crypto. Nice one, bro. Good to hear it. Thanks, man. So basically, I'd say this. Guys, I'll tell you when I'm shorting Doge. I told you when I'm shorting Doge. I'll tell you when I'm going to short Shiba. But I have to just say to you right now, I wouldn't recommend this. So, I mean, I'm prepared to lose on this trade. I wouldn't recommend shorting Shiba right now. Right now, definitely not. But I wouldn't recommend taking this trade to anyone. The only reason I'm doing this is because I just feel like I've got the capability of being able to pull this one off if I could just do it. If I could just do it and wait for the things I want to see. But, you know, even by the time it takes me to put on my short and then post it and then you see it, you know, you might not see it instantly. There might be a change in dynamics. So I'll just say I'm going to short Shiba. I'll tell you when I'm shorting Shiba, but you don't have to take this trade. You don't have to take this trade. But it is fucking tempting. Because it's going to go down. Like, we know in the long term, definitely, it's going to go much lower. Because we know Bitcoin's going to go through another bear market eventually. So, but Shiba's going to go down again. But it's just the timing. When does it go down, sir? And, yeah. I'm just going to basically just play out my strategy. And first thing I'm looking for is a deviation over high. We haven't got any of that right now. You know, we did here. You could say that potentially that was the move in. You know, even there maybe, but it's a little bit too small. That would be, you know, the retest zone. All the way down, retested it. It's just holding. You know, if it did this now, just like that would be a nice opportunity to get out. That would be a perfect deviation of that level. And you can see there. See you later, sir. But I don't see that happening right now. I see this going higher. It's probably going to break out in a minute. And just moonshot it. Guys, at the end of the day, you know, if you're not looking to, you know, I'm looking to short Shiba because I'm not getting long. But you know what? There is opportunity right now to make money on the long side. You know, it's going up. Like this is, you know, if it breaks out, you could get in here. You could actually have a stop loss at about underneath the trend line, 1% stop loss, and you know you could actually make money on this next leg up if it does want to pop. So don't try and stay there. Just don't short yet, right? If you want to long it as well, guys, you know, go to Bybit, guys. The link below to Bybit, you know what to do. I have a link literally in the description below to Bybit. It gives you a massive bonus when you sign up, and on Bybit they have Shiba Inu to USD perpetual. So if you want to long or short Shiba Inu, just use that link below, guys, to Bybit, get an account, and then you can the free money you get when you sign up. Just use that to fucking. The reason that's this, it's a win-win, right? You know, you get the bonus. I get a bonus as well, which is great. It's a win-win, and then you know you can actually freaking short Shiba. You can short Shiba with free money. I'll take that every day of the week, but don't short yet. I just looked at the charts and Shiba, my pants. Yeah, Shiba's absolutely going for it. Shiba's completely nailing it right now. It's going to Z moon, sir. Like you can't. Oh shit! It really is going to the moon. The indicator last call. What? The indicator must have just absolutely nailed that. Already 4% up. These are the MDX signals indicators, guys. You can see it tells you when to buy and sell, basically. Okay. And right now, the Shiba is killing it. If you want to get these indicators, guys, the link is below. MDX Trading Portal. MDX Trading Portal. Completely free to sign up. But you need to get MDX Premium to get the indicators. This is about to moonshot Legendaries. So we're going like the 1 second right now. Let's see what's going on the 1 second. 1 second on Shiba. 1 second on Shiba. 1 second on Shiba. It's the 1 second on Shiba. Let's watch this fucking moon then. We're gonna watch the 1 second on Shiba. The indicator as well will be hilarious on the 1 second. Let's see where this bad boy goes. Oh, Shiba. Someone just came in with a market smash right there. It just doesn't. It'll probably. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down here like that, back down here, and then holds and then carries on. Let's see how bullish this thing is. Oh wow, look at it go! Absolutely, just moonshotting it right now. The 1 second on Shiba. The 1 second on Shiba. Oi, let's go, bro. The 1 second on Shiba. I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down a bit. The 1 second on Shiba. Maybe a to here, I'd say. Look at it testing along this trend line. Where's that trend line even coming? Let's see if it comes to around here like that. If it comes to there and then holds there, then it could get a bounce. Look at the 1 second. It's going for it. What time frame shall I watch, guys? Shiba, what time frame shall I watch? You tell me in the chat right now, because we're just watching the 1 second on Shiba. The 1 second on Shiba. Tell me in the chat right now, what do you want? What time frame? Because right now, 5 minute looks like it's going to break, man. Looks like it's going to get an absolute moonshot any second, dudes. Yeah, this thing ain't stopping just now. Yo, I need to get on my Bybit account right now in a minute. Like, you guys know you can short and long Shiba Inu on Bybit right now, and you can do it with USD perpetual swap. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, for my short, I'm going to be shorting Shiba Inu. I'll tell you right now. I'm going to short Shiba. I'm not prepared to short it just yet. I've explained a million times on this video already, okay? But The 1 second on Shiba. If you want to short fucking Shiba Inu or long Shiba Inu, I'm gonna do it on Bybit. All right, the link is below, guys. Have a look there. Bybit. Check out the link below to Bybit, guys. If you want a long short Shiba, use Bybit. And if you use the link below, guys, you get a free bonus. Right, you get a massive bonus when you sign up. It's a referral link, so I get a bonus, you get a bonus, we all win, and then you can use that free freaking money. You can use the free money Bybit give you to short or long Shiba. And it's basically a free fucking trade on this thing. And the good thing about Bybit as well, it's a USDT perpetual swap, okay? So it means that when Shiba goes down, you make more dollars. The 1 second on Shiba. The 1 second on Shiba. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I would have thought Femex would have had Shiba, but it's Bybit. You know, Bybit is the one who has Femex to short, so... And I'm going to, on my Twitter, I will post as well. I will post the position, okay? Like, I will post my short, but... Oh, here we go. We're going to get this level now. Let's have a look where we go. Fuck yeah, now. People are really coming in with the market smashes right now. The 1 second on Shiba. Where's this trend line coming in? Like, I didn't even... Like, when I go 5 minute, I can't see that trend line. Like, what's going on with that, mate? Like, the 5 minute just looks really good. Like, I've already said that it's continuously just holding this trend line along here. So it's in an uptrend, right? It's uptrending in terms of a trend line. It's above all the EMAs, okay? All the exponential moving averages. Okay, the only thing which is worrying right now about Shiba, all right, is in terms of, I wouldn't say it was worrying, I say it was exciting. And by the way, guys, it's freaking 4:20 in the morning. It's 4:20 in the morning. 4:20. So, yeah, the daily stochastic RSI is overbought crazy. Overbought crazy on the daily stochastic RSI. The 4-hour stochastic RSI is overbought a lot as well. So, obviously, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, fucking, I keep calling it Doge. Same thing, sir. Shiba Inu, sir. The thing is, right, is this, okay? So, in the medium term, which is probably only 3 days, maybe a week for Shiba, like it's moving so rapidly, like the time frames are squeezed. I would say that in the medium term, which is about a few days, I think this will have a retracement, and I think this will go to first target wise around this region here, which will be swing low to swing high on the fibs. Will probably be around there. Okay, just actually that's the wrong level, sir. Sorry, I need to go from swing low to swing high. So actually looking at this level here, the previous high price, that's where I'd say this will probably go. Around here, yeah, you can see nicely. In this region here. Previous high price, tag it out. In the medium term, I think Shiba will do that. We'll come down here, like do that, and tag it out. But right now, guys, you can't bet against Shiba. What is it doing, sir? Right now, you cannot bet against this, guys. This is an uptrending market above all these trend lines. This is an ascending formation. This is an ascending triangle formation like this. Already broken at any of the retest. You can see here's the level to break. Into it, ascending formation, retest, bang. Let's get back on the 1 second with Shiba. The 1 second on Shiba. The 1 second on Shiba, right? Guys, are you long or short on Shiba? Get a freaking Bybit account right now, guys. You know what to do. Use the link in the description, guys. Get the free money from Bybit, and you can long and short Shiba Inu on Bybit, guys. And it's a USDT perpetual swap. So I think that, guys, everybody made generational wealth on the way up. Everyone's making generational wealth on the way up on Shiba. I'm going to make generational wealth on the way down on Shiba, okay? That's my game plan. And, you know, there is actually, right now, this looks like this is getting close to something which could give me... This is about to be a blue sky breakout, okay? So this is about to break the high. It already has. Okay, we broke the high. It's going to pop right now, guys. It's going to pop. Like, this is actually... It's going to go pong. Watch this go. It's a blue sky breakout. It's going to pop off. What's the market cap of this bad boy right now? Shiba's probably higher than Dogecoin right now. Can you load, please? Come on. It's literally Shiba's pumping so hard it's broken coin market cap. Shiba. Yeah, it's an ascending formation. It's pretty darn fucking bull town. Shiba Inu is like one of the only tokens, 76% up. Crikey, Mikey, mate. Like, it's 76% up, mate. Like, core fucking blimey, mate. It's 4:20 in the morning, Legendaries. And I'm here charting out Shiba looking for shorts. And I haven't started the short yet. I'll be very open and honest with you, sir. I haven't started shorting fucking Shiba yet. When I shorted Dogecoin, guys, you already know that I made a name for myself. I made a name for myself shorting Doge, all right? I'm going to make another name for myself shorting Shiba, but no way I'm shorting this just yet. I need to wait for something at least. I need to wait for something at least to give me some sort of idea. Yes, daily stochastic RSI, 4-hour stochastic RSI is looking overbought. So we know the momentum is slowing, right? The momentum is slowing on the medium term. Short term, this is crazy. The indicator, look at this last call, guys. This is the MDX signals indicators, guys. I developed these indicators myself, right, with my team. And this indicator on the lower time frames, actually we have 3 overbought signatures right there. So this probably comes down a little bit now. 3 overbought signatures. That's a big deal for Sheeps on this time. It's on the 1 minute. So this indicator, guys, the last long you would have been up fucking 6% in literally, like, what is that? Like 15, 20 minutes. It's insane, sir. If you want to get these indicators, guys, just sign up to the MDX trading portal. The link is below to the MDX trading portal. Completely free to sign up, guys, for the dashboard. And then if you want to get the indicators, you just basically sign up to MDX Premium. And yeah, you can see, guys, it's actually insane what's going on right now. Shiba. The indicators work very well on altcoins like Shiba because they're not that highly manipulated because they're quite small. They're growing in terms of like big players coming into them, but there are no big fucking market movers really dicking around with Shiba, really. Well, you know, maybe that's changing. They are on some big exchanges. It might be changing because they are actually on Coinbase and shit. And they're on Bybit. Like, fuck. Like, Shiba's on Bybit. Like, I didn't know that. I didn't know that Shiba was on Bybit until today. Because I don't really trade that many alts on Bybit. I actually predominantly trade on Femex altcoins. But I actually am moving over to Bybit for a lot of the altcoins. Like, Bybit have just pushed shitloads of altcoins on. And, you know, Bybit has massive liquidity. So I think what they're trying to do, Bybit, is just take more of the altcoin market right now. Because Bitcoin's been relatively flat. Guys, look, we got 400 likes in here and 1,300 people, guys. You know what to do, guys. Okay, if you're a fan... Okay, if you freaking love Shiba Inu... That's the wrong question. If you're looking to long or short Shiba Inu, hit the like button, guys. If we get 1,000 likes on this video... If I get 1,000 likes on this video right now, I will go into my account and I will short Shiba right now against the grain. 1,000 likes on this video right now, I will go on to the fucking account and I will freaking short right now against the grain and lose. Because right now Shiba looks like it's about to do a blue sky breakout and go up. 1,000 likes, guys, I'll slam a fucking short on this right now. Yo, everyone's blasting it, man. Yo, come on, Legendaries. So just to reiterate, guys, it's freaking 4:30 in the morning. Massive stream right now. We have an ascending formation which just broke out for Shiba. So this is very, very bullish on the short term. We're above all of the EMAs. We're above this trend line, which is bullish for Shiba Inu. The momentum is still not that exhausted. The only momentum which is exhausted is the daily and the 4-hour. And a day for Shiba Inu is like a fucking month for Bitcoin, or maybe a week. So you can't say much to that anyway. Okay, look, this could come down now here, and we'll see what happens, okay? This could be a deviation play, okay? Let's see what we get here. Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. That's a dumb Peruni, sir. We could get a deviation spot here, okay? Here we go, here we go, here we go. 4:30 a.m. Shiba Inu fucking charting, eh? Love it, sir. Love a little bit of Shiba Inu, baby. Okay, let's go back on the 5 minutes. It's just too erratic. It's too erratic on the fucking 1 second. You guys tell me in the chat right now, what do you want me to chart on? What time frame? And don't say the 1 second. the 5 minute to me looks good to me, you know? It looks alright. Chart it out. Guys, hit the like button as well. Massive load of likes just came in. Perfect. Come on, guys. Let's make 1,000 likes. I'm only giving you guys a few more minutes to get that hit. Shiba Emu 2Z Moon. Shiba Emu 2Z Moon. So just to reiterate, guys, lots more people in the stream right now. I'm looking to short Shiba Emu. I made a name for myself shorting Dogecoin in the crypto community. I'm going to make a name for myself shorting Shiba Emu. This actually does look like potentially, if this does a deviation over this level here, okay, this is where I can see the resistance zone. What's the PVVR coming in as well out? Okay, it's actually lower. Let's have a look at, let's go on visible range. Okay, I actually think that this is a good way of looking at this right now. And what you can do is you can use visible range, yes, but we want session volume. Session volume, there we go. Look, it's bang on actually. It's actually perfect on that level. Session volume is going to give you an idea of, okay, it's very similar to visible range. So we know that visible range is basically the node you get on the side, right? But session volume is good for deviation plays, okay? Because what it's doing is it's showing you that that's where all of the trading action has happened on this lower time frame. So if we did come back down and break this level here, you can see that's where all the volume's been traded. Let me just zoom in on this bad boy. You can see here, that's where all the volume's been traded on this level here, okay, in the middle. So if this does actually come back down, okay, and then lose this volume node, okay, so like we come in, we get a deviation over this level here. Actually, that would be quite significant because it means that we're breaking a trend line, we've broken a deviation, and the next target will probably be around here. And then back up for a retest. That'll probably coincide with the previous low. It does. And then break. That'll be where I'm looking for the short, okay? So let me just draw this out with all the squiggles out of the way. It'll look something like this. Maybe something like that. Break. Back up, retest, and then there we go. That's the retest to short, okay? That's where you get the fuck out. Deviation, retest, bang. Get your ass out, son. But right now, we're not waiting for that just yet because you know, it's still uptrending. It's actually a parabola right now. So what a parabola means is that the lows are actually getting exponentially higher, which means that it's getting more and more powerful to move. This level has access to resistance. That is the all-time high for Shiba. I could see this coming down, retesting this, and squeezing back up in continuation, just like that. Boosh. It's still an ascending formation. We know for those kind of the ascending formations are bullish. Let me get up my formation charts quickly. Let me get my formations up because we need formations for the people of the town. People of the town, what am I on about? Formation chart is now here. So you can see here it's an ascending formation. Why is everything slowing down so much? Hopefully we're still live. You got 1,400 people in here. Absolutely massive legends. How's everybody doing? Good to 1,000 freaking 500 actually. How is everybody doing? Hit the freaking like button on your way in. So we have an ascending formation, guys. Ascending triangles, as you can see here, are bullish formations. And you can see that Shiba is freaking in definitely a bullish ascending formation. You can see every single time we're moving up here, we actually have higher lows the whole way up. Absolutely deliciante. This is the level I really looked at because that's where all the volume is. So this is a breakout of an ascending formation like this. It's likely, you know, a lot of time you get a retest. It could, if it does, okay. If it breaks down like that, retest that low there, and then does this, that's where you get the fuck out, okay? That's the first level. If we hold here, fine. We squeeze up and we break the high. We do another bullish deviation and we go higher, okay? Right now we're above the trend lines, we're above the moving averages. There's no way we can get bearish on this. But I am looking to short, guys. So if you're new to this stream right now, I am going to be building up a short on Shiba. I am going to short Shiba again because I made a name for myself for shorting Doge. I'm going to make another fucking name for myself shorting Shiba. Check my Twitter. I made a name for myself shorting Doji, all right? I shorted Dogecoin at like 67 cents. It was a blast off. But what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm probably going to short Shiba Inu on Bybit. Because I didn't know this, guys, but Bybit actually have Shiba Inu on a USDT perpetual swap. So just to reiterate, guys, I'm going to be shorting Dogecoin with a USDT perpetual swap. That means when the price of Shiba goes down, I make more USDT. I don't make more Shiba. A lot of things you see around, right? You know, you can use fucking coin perpetual swaps. Means that when the market goes down on Bybit, you know, if you use Bybit to trade Bitcoin, when the market goes down on a coin perpetual, you make more BTC, right? But with Shiba, I don't want to make more Shiba on the way down. I want to make more dollars. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to use Bybit. The link is below the Bybit, by the way. If you use my link below, guys, to Bybit, you'll actually get a free trading bonus, which you can use to short Shiba or long Shiba. Okay, so the link below to Bybit, guys, you get a massive sign-up bonus when you get an account, and you can actually use that free money to then long and short Shiba within Bybit. And obviously, guys, if it's free fucking money, then it's a free trade, so you've got no risk, which is a good way of doing it. And if you already have an account with Bybit, then just go on Bybit right now. Use my link below. Go on Bybit and look to long and short Shiba, because I'm going to tell you what I'm going to short, though. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to short. I'm going to short probably when the next deviation, okay? That's what we're waiting for anyway. That's what we're waiting for right now. Sorry, legends. It's freaking... I'm running out of steam here, man. It's 4:30 in the morning, man, in England. Yo. I'm out here, brother. There is not one English person in this chat anymore. All the English guys are freaking done. Guys, where are you all from nationality-wise? Are you from England? Are you from USA? Tell me in the chat right now, where are you from? Tell me right now. We're on 700 likes, guys. Let's get to 1,000 likes. Smash that up. Smash that up. The Shiba army is the Shiba... If you are the Shiba army, desecrate the freaking like button, Legendays. Oi, brother. Yeah, okay, English people back in the building. What's going on? There are shitloads of English people in here. 15-minute chart on Shiba. Yeah, it's just nothing bearish about this. Like, look at this chart, guys. There's nothing bearish about this in any way, shape, or form right now. This is a crazy, crazy uptrending market. The only way I get bearish on this is we break the trend line. Simple as that. Deviation, break the trend line, retest, and down. I think Shiba Inu won't get much of a retest. I think it will dump, and it will dump forever. 1 hour, it's just all looking crazy, crazy pumpy. Like, what the fuck is this? 4 hour, okay. Relaxed. Daily, yes, sir. So it's going to snap at some point. Like, you know, we can see that on the daily stochastic RSI, it's overbought. The 4 hour is overbought. I'm not prepared to bet on this thing against this thing. I think we're getting there, though. We're getting quite close. Will you give your short positions in MDX Premium first? Yeah, so with MDX Premium, so obviously, guys, get the MDX trading portal. With MDX Premium, you actually get the indicators, right? So this is the indicator suite. But what I always do is, you know, usually is I go into MDX Premium in the chat, and I usually say like what I'm doing in my positions before I put it on Twitter. Some of the times it's just from Twitter, but specifically with this Shiba Inu short, I'll put my position in MDX Premium first. Yeah, I'll go in there and say, look, I've begun. And guys, it's not going to be like this. It's not going to be like I am now short on Shiba in my whole position. No. It's going to be a scaling in thing again, guys. I'm going to scale into this thing because, like, Shiba Inu can do something stupid. I've heard lots of rumors about fucking Robin Hood and stuff. Guys, can you tell me in the chat right now? You guys probably know more about Shiba than I fucking do. So tell me in the chat right now in MDX Legends group, can someone just debunk or tell me what's actually going on with the Shiba Inu thing, right? Is it actually going on Robinhood? Is that all FUD, or is that bullshit? What's going on? What is the hype about Shiba Inu? Is it going on Robinhood? Tell me right now. Yeah, so it's scaling. I'm not just gonna fire out a short straight away, willy-nilly at any level. I'm gonna scale into my short. So it's gonna be probably 10 sells, 10% each time. There's no way, guys. Short selling is hard, yo. Like longing into a market, I'm prepared to buy relevant support zones with, you know, decent levels, right, on an uptrending market, for instance. Okay, but short selling is hard because greed takes a while to build up. So greed is an emotion which kind of compounds on itself and exponentially kind of explodes at the end. Fear doesn't do that. Fear goes, get the fuck out, sell everything, and go. So I've said it a million times, guys. Markets look like this. Right, that's what markets look like. And you can actually see this very clearly. You have a trend line, right? You have a nice trend line building up. You have a retest of the previous high, a retest of the previous high. You have then a slightly higher high. You have a lower high, a lower low, right? And then it breaks. And when it breaks, everybody jumps out. Okay, so trying to, you know, the problem is about going straight in with all your position now into a short is that, yes, you know, you might make money on that trade, but you have to be prepared for the market to keep going for a bit and your position to go underwater. drowning. I can't do a guy drowning. And the problem with that is, in my opinion, is that the further you go underwater, the more taxing the trade becomes on your mental state and your psychology. Okay, so I would rather, I like longing markets generally, guys. I'm a long guy, I like to get into markets early and let them rally because I know that I can get, fear, at the bottom, and then the greed can take time to build up. I'm not really a massive advocate of short selling. I will short in bear markets, and I will short in bull markets as well. You know that from this fucking channel. I short on bull markets all the time when I see a high probability setup. The problem is going in with all of your position in one area, especially if you've got high leverage. Either you got to keep getting stopped out all the way up and taking small losses, right? All the way up. Small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, which ends up being a big loss. Or what you do is you go in once and you have to be prepared on lower leverage to go underwater, because who the fuck times the pin top, right, of an uptrend? If you're uptrending, right? Okay, look at the S&P 500. It's been uptrending for 10 years. All right, what's the chance of you picking the day or the hour that the S&P turns after uptrending for 10 years? The longer the uptrend, the more unlikely it is that you pick the top. Simple as that, right? Simple. Because it's been going for fucking 10 years. What's the likelihood of you being it? So this uptrend's been, obviously not 10 years, but this is still a decent uptrend. The likelihood of you picking the top is unlikely. So if you go in all of your positions short, you're going to tax yourself mentally because you're going to go underwater. If you're prepared to go underwater, you have enough equity to allow yourself to go underwater like I did with Doge. Remember when I started scaling into my Doge short and I told you guys 250 is my hit? If we go to 250, I'll lose everything. I'll lose over $50,000. Right? So if I had enough equity in my account to be on low leverage with a high stop and I was scaling in to my short, 250. Everyone was saying $1. My hit was 250. And I was like, okay, look, I'll take the risk on this. With Shiba, it will be the same. So I'll scale in, and it's getting to the point where I wouldn't mind starting because, if we get a break here and we get a deviation like that, this could be good. But to be honest, like, I need to look at this seriously tomorrow. But like, I'd say that scale into your position, ladder in, and have a very low leverage and have a high liquidation price and scale into your position. Don't just go all in because it'll be too difficult for you to take that emotional pressure of going underwater and saying, fuck, I'm losing money, I'm losing money, I'm losing money. Because most of you guys don't go into every trade as though it's as good as gone. If you go into every single trade as though it's as good as lost, and you go full-blown short here, and you have a really low amount of leverage, and you can allow it to run really high, if you go in without giving a fuck, you can let this thing go up. You can even turn your fucking computer off and come back in 6 months, and probably it would have dumped through it by then. But the problem is most people don't do that. Most people get fucking wrecked because of their emotions. So, but right now, guys, this looks great. This chart just doesn't look bad in any way. This is a good looking chart. It looks like it's gonna fucking pop in a minute anyway. Anyone notice when BTC dumps, Shiba pumps? That's interesting. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Bitcoin, you guys already know the verdict on Bitcoin for me. I think that Bitcoin's gonna go 55. I already said when Bitcoin was here, I thought we were gonna come down lower. We actually are getting that right now. I think between 52 and 55, we're gonna get on this. And I think then we continue on Bitcoin. And that's obviously, I've been through a million videos talking about that. Where's my Shiba chart? I miss Shiba. Look at me saying that I miss Shiba. The fuck's happened? Times have changed, man. Shiba's just got so much action right now. Bitcoin's flat and going down a bit, so Shiba's just taking... People are degens, man. People just want to chase the freaking goddamn high. But yeah, so with this short, guys, I'm gonna be scaling into my short using Bybit. And yeah, guys, check out the link below anyway. There's a link below to freaking goddamn Bybit. You know what it looks like, so I don't have to tell you a quadrillion times about my old Bybit, sir. But I will show you one more time. Yeah, so guys, check that. There's a link below, guys, in the description right there. And basically, Bybit will give you a big bonus when you sign up. And actually, you can actually get a $3,500 bonus with the Bybit link below. And then if you use that link, it's my referral link. So you get a bonus, I get a bonus. And then what you can do, guys, is Bybit, this exchange here with the link below, you can actually short Shiba on it. You can short Shiba on Bybit. I didn't even know that till earlier today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build up my short on Shiba. You could long Shiba if you wanted to, guys, on Bybit, but I'm gonna look for shorts on Bybit, the exchange. The link is below. Femex don't have it, but predominantly what I do is I actually trade Bitcoin and Ethereum on Bybit a lot, and I actually trade a lot of altcoins on Femex. But Bybit are increasing their amount of altcoins, so yeah, check out the link below, guys. Get the free money, get the bonus, and then short fucking Dogecoin with free money. Short Shiba with free money. If not yet though. I'm going to do it. Not yet. It's not yet. It's not yet. It's not yet. It's not yet. We've got to wait a little bit longer. And we've got 800 likes in here, guys. Great to see. Massive community in here. Hey, kind of promised it would be listed around end of October. Let's have a look what that question was there. Let's go on the mod squad right now. The mod squad of Rooney. So, what we got here? So, let's go, Brandon. What's up, Brandon? How you doing, Nicholas? Good to see you. Hope you're doing good, man. They kind of promised it would be listed around end of October, waiting till Rush after listing for dump bag. So, what you're saying that Shiba Inu is promised to be listed on Robinhood in October, end of October. You know, what thoughts on Satoshiba? Satoshiba. It's literally going parabolic. The market cap really low. I think 10x by tomorrow. Sato on Pancake Swap. Check Poo Coin. Oh, legend. I'll do that in a second. Is there another one called fucking Thingamajig? Yo, this is what I think about the Robinhood thing, okay? It's going to be probably, likely is it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So all of the price gains you're seeing on Shiba right now are in anticipation of the asset going on a bigger exchange. But what usually happens is, because everyone gets excited about something on a bigger exchange, people go and buy it before the fucking thing actually happens. And what happens is, what you're seeing is the price is rallying and front running the anticipation of being on the exchange. So when it actually goes on the exchange, everyone's already bought. So there's no freaking new buyers coming in because and nothing happens. And then what happens is it then dumps because people say, well, nothing happened. It went on the exchange. And then you have this reversal, kind of very, very quick reversal in psychology where everyone says, well, it's on now. The announcement happened, but nothing happened. And then everybody just sells, and then you get a big spur on effect of fear. So that's usually what happens with these things. Right, let's have a look at this coin then. What's it called? Sato. Sato, is it? Or let's have a look what's kicking off here. Is it called Satoshi Bets? No. What's the ticker sign? Yo, what is it, brother? Can you come? Sato, is it? Yo, Nicholas, come into the MDX Legends group. Right, thank you for the donations, by the way. If you come into the MDX Legends group here, put in the ticker, and I'll go on it through there, because I can't find it on CoinMarketCap right now. Sato. True Satoshi, is it? No, it doesn't look like any of those. It doesn't look like any of those. Super Algorithmic Token, is that it? I don't know. So if you can come over and put that in the chat, that'd be great, man. Yo, I'm going to be trading until frickin' 5 o'clock in the morning, Legends. I've never shorted before, but want to learn from the best. Yeah, well, it's very simple to short. You know, actually, the process of shorting isn't that simple, but I explained earlier in this stream what an actual, organic, analog short looks like. It involves a loan. It involves basically buying an asset with kind of money being lent to you when it drops and then keeping the difference. But shorting is very simple these days on all these very nice swanky exchanges we see. And the main place I would short Shiba is Bybit. And yeah, the link below to Bybit gives you a bonus. Check out Bybit. I use Bybit every single day. Shiba Inu is on Bybit to trade. So just get a Bybit account, and then you can use the free money you get when you deposit to short Shiba. But I would say that shorting is you want to be... Shorting is more difficult in general because if you look at any market, right? Just look at any market. Like look at Bitcoin, for instance. Okay, this is a very, very easy example of the difference between fear and greed. Is that you see here, it took the market of Bitcoin from 3,000 to 64K a year to get there, and it was a long arc, up down, up down, up down, up down. It took the stairs on the way up. Okay, so we took this big staircase on the way up like this. It took a year to do this. Okay, to lose 50% of this move, guys, to move 50% of it, it took a tenth of the time. You know what I mean? So it took 10% of the time for it to go up to 64. To lose half of it, it took about 10 days. Okay, to lose half of it. So it just goes to show that the bulls take the stairs and then the bears jump out the window. And this is a very, very good example of that. And this plays out over and over and over and over and over again in all types of charts, because all you're doing is you're just seeing the difference between two emotions. And that is it's as simple as that, okay? And that's why trying to short a market is, if you're only trying to short markets, you have to have a different type of risk profile. You have to be a different type of person. Because like you got to be prepared to feel the pain of going underwater more. Because it's impossible you're going to pick every single top at obviously the dime of the top. If it takes a year to go up and 10 days to go down, you might as well just get on the train on the year up, and at least you go into positive P&L. The problem is about people who go into long markets, they don't know when to sell. Having an entry is important, but having an exit is just as important as having an entry. Okay, people don't realize this. They get into a market and they think, I'm in a good position, I'm in profit, but they just don't know how to take profit. They don't know when to sell. It's just as important to get out than it is to get in. So at least though, in an uptrending market, if you buy into a market and you hold, because it takes a year to go up, you're gonna, all you need to do is be in the fucking first 6 months and you're still gonna make money. The selling is the other part of it, okay? To take profit. That's why in these indicators that me and my team have produced, we have an entry and an exit. So it says long TP. TP means take profit, okay? And also TP can potentially mean exhaustion for a reversal as well. So getting into a long market is easier but hard to know when to get out. But if you're buying into a long market, you got more time to get in and get into profit. But year up, 10 days down, you know what I'm talking about? Like, it's fucking mental. So yeah, short selling's hard because you got to pick that top. And if you are a short seller generally, you need to consistently be you need to be a tough motherfucker because you have to go underwater a lot. That's why the guy from The Great Short, I watched that film The Great Short, which I didn't actually think was that good. It didn't really represent the actual reality of the situation that well, but I didn't think it was that good. But I thought the actual concept of The Big Short, of him going against the majority flooding into this market, the real estate market in 2008, he had to go short, going short against that mass hysteria in terms of everyone getting cheap, easy loans in that market. He had to go underwater for a long time, and he did. He almost went broke from doing it. So it's basically just that idea, but like less. Nice charts here. So we've got some old school fucking charts to kick it off here. This is the Bollinger Bands on Bitcoin, I think, which looks quite interesting. But guess when it will dip, honest. Yeah, so there's no point guessing, because guessing is just gambling, and I leave gambling for the casino. I don't gamble in trading. So, at the end of the day, there's no point in trying to short now, because it is a gamble. There's nothing on this chart telling me right now that there's anything bearish. It's consistently making higher lows on the lower time frames. It's above a significant trend line. It's above all of the exponential moving averages I look at. The only thing I could say is that the daily stochastic RSI is bearish in terms of it's overbought. The 4-hour stochastic RSI is overbought. The hourly isn't even overbought. So I'd say that all I could give you in terms of an idea right now is that in the medium term for this time horizon of this asset, okay, so the time horizon for our asset is going to be different. This is a highly volatile, fast moving like ticker. Like, this is a really, really fast moving fucking goddamn coin. So a medium term time horizon on this is probably going to have to be a week. A week's probably medium term time horizon on this. Short term's lower than a week, three days, or maybe even 3 days is medium. So I think that in the medium term for Shiba, it's going to drop, and it's going to probably go down to some Fibonacci retracement levels. I can see it coming down to here. This is the golden retracement. I can see it going down in the next dump. Will probably go down maybe 35% at minimum, okay? Maybe even more. But in the short term, it's just going up. So you're long until proven otherwise. I'm not looking to short this market anytime soon. I'll look to short the market when we get a deviation over at least one high price. And then we'll break some sort of trend, okay? But right now it's ascending. Right now I'm long in this market. But I can't fucking long it because I know it's the shittest coin ever. It's a shit coin, so I'm not up for it. I'll scale into my short and I'll tell you when. It's 5 o'clock, isn't it? We're really kicking off right now. And I'll tell you, Legend again, we've got a big stream tonight. A lot of people in here. Shiba profits. The Shiba profits, legends. I can't believe I'm just streaming at 5 a.m. on Shiba, man. It's insane. It's insanity out here. Anyway, Legend. So yeah, MDX in the indicators here. So you can see that these give you a long and short call on Shiba, guys. The MDX trading portal is where you get access to this. Actually, the MDX trading portal, let me just quickly show you. It's completely free to sign up, but you actually get access to 4 indicators, guys. So you get access to all these indicators here. One of them you can see on this chart here. 4 indicators, guys. Use the link below to MDX trading portal to get a free account. You can sign up when you want. Shiba Inu. All right, let's go on this 1 second. Let's have a look what's going on. Oh, man, I'm so tired right now. Oh, Shiba on the 1 second. Yo, Shiba on the 1 second, brother. Shiba Nation on the 1 second, sir. Look at it go, man. It just doesn't look like it wants to stop, bro. What's it doing? It's actually just looking like this is just a crazy uptrend. Like, it's a powerful uptrend. It's going to break at some point. But right now, it's powerful. The spirit of the Shiba Inu is power. It doesn't want to stop. And it's 5 freaking a.m. for me, man, in England. Well, I'm not in England. I'm in Portugal, but same time. It's the same time as England. The time frames right now in the world are London. It's 5 o'clock in London. It's freaking midnight in New York. It's San Francisco. It's 8 o'clock in the evening, 9 o'clock in the evening. Beijing. Fucking hell. Look at, and I'm just here charting out Shiba. I'm going to start my short on Shiba soon, Legendaries. Hit the like button if you're going to long and short Shiba. Let's have a look what's going on. The stream's just kicking off as well. Massive stream talking about the Shiba Nation. You get into like Shiba, motherfucker. Shiba, eh? Guys, if you want a long or short Shiba Inu, use Bybit. Shiba Inu is on Bybit, guys. The link below to Bybit gives you a massive bonus when you sign up and start trading. And guess what? That money you get for free, guys, that $3,500, guys, the $3,500 you get for free when you sign up to Bybit below, you can use to long and short Shiba Inu. And for me personally, guys, I'm going to be scaling into a short on Shiba Inu. And I will give you, if you guys, okay, look, go and get an account with freaking goddamn Bybit, okay? So use the link below, guys, get an account, get the free bit tokens as well. When you sign up to get an account with Bybit, at the moment you get free 10 bit tokens, okay? Get an account with Bybit, use the link below, and then when I start shorting it, I will then post my charts up showing the entries I've got for Shiba, and you guys can just basically do what you want with that information. I'm not going to say anything. You can do what you want with that fucking information, all right? Shiba's going to the moon. And then it's going down. Like Bitcoin. I think in 2022, Bitcoin's going to go really high and then really, really low. Oh my God, I can't believe it's 5 a.m. right now. I'm going to have to call it quits in a minute. But I'm going to stay out here, Legioners. I'm doing this for the community. Guys, because I'm here, guys, at 5 a.m. I'm out here in Portugal at 5 a.m. right now. If you guys can smash the like button for me, this is one thing you can do right now. Just desecrate the like button, Legendaries. If you hit the like button, guys, it'll give me more energy to stay on the stream for longer. Let's go, people. If you haven't hit the like button, guys, take your finger, take your mouse, take your thumb. Hit the like button, guys, and I will stay here for longer on this live stream. Here we literally go. I'm buying on the 5-minute 100 million coins. Fucking hell. I love you, Max. Love you too, dude. When holiday? Legend days. I'm buying in 5 minutes, legends. Almost at 1,000 likes on this stream now with Shiba. Maybe I should just start streaming Shiba Inu more. Maybe I'm just be missing out. Maybe I should just stream Shiba and altcoins. Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. Let's watch Shiba on the 1 second. At least there's something going on the screen with Shiba on the 1 second. We can just leave this on and just talk. Right, let's just leave Shiba up on the 1 second and see what happens. If you have the MDX signals indicators, oh my god, look at it go. If you have these indicators, guys, you can have a lot of fun on the 1 second. The MDX signals indicators on the 1 second are going to be nutty for you. Right. Let me get this on camera with the Shiba Emu. Right, Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. It's 5 a.m. Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. It's 5 a.m. No, I can't. I'm not. Like, shut up, bro. No. I'll just do yo. I'll do a little song for you. Right, Legendays, it's Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. Micro downtrend kicking off. Right, Legendays, it's Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1. It's 5 a.m. Micro downtrend streaming Shiba. Right, Legendays, it's Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. I can't believe I'm still here. Alright, these, I think I've had a funny day on these. Yeah, here we go, Sheebs. Well, there's loads of people who've even seen this video already. 4 a.m. stream. Shiba on the 1 second. I got loads of messages on Instagram saying, why are you still up? Because I'm mental. That's why. Shiba on the 1 second. Shiba on the 1 second. Right, who likes Shiba on the 1 second, guys? Got 1,000 likes on this video right now. I dare you don't dump. Shiba just keeps pumping. Let's have a look at Shiba Nation. Look at it go, man. Like, all these people just absolutely marketing into it. Market smashing it in and out. It's just where all the liquidity is in Shiba right now. Like, what's the volume of Shiba today? Shiba in terms of volume, oh shit, it's got $37 billion volume today, legends. Do you realize that's the same as Bitcoin? Volume, okay, Bitcoin did $44 billion volume today. Shiba Emu, which is now number 7, by the way, fucking hell, did 44 billion. Shiba Emu has done the same amount of volume as Bitcoin today. If that's not saying something, I don't know what is. Okay, that's a big fucking deal, guys. That's a tweet. I'm doing a tweet about that. Right, that's a tweet. Yo! Guys, come in. I'm going to do a tweet about that right now. That's immense. Shiba Emu did I spell that right? Shiba did the same amount of volume as Bitcoin today. Yes. Shiba Emu. Is it Emi? Is it Emi or Umu? It's Emu, isn't it? What? How do I spell Umu again? What is wrong with me? Shiba Emu. I think it's a U, isn't it? Yeah, Inu. That's a good fucking hell. What's wrong with me, bro? Inu. Yeah, I did it the wrong way. Shiba Inu did the same amount of volume as Bitcoin today. We live in a... I don't know which adjective to use. Let me just think. Let me keep an eye on Shiba right now. Fucking Shiba. Guys, yo, the same amount of volume as Bitcoin in 1 day, Legendays. That is a massive deal. Like, I don't even know if Dogecoin ever did that. Shiba Emu did the same amount of volume as Bitcoin today. Here we literally go. Bitcoin, Shiba. Guys, if you like Shiba Inu, all right? If you're a fan of Shiba Inu, come and desecrate this tweet, okay? There's 1,000, God, how many people in here? 1,500 people in this chat right now, okay? It was 1,500 people in here. Yeah, Inu, who's in here? Who's that guy here? The 404 Studios. He's a tick. I don't know who this guy is, but the 404 Studios put Inu. Yeah, it's Shiba Inu. Inu. Not Uni. Not Shiba Uni. Brian P. Kick Brian P off, please. Brian P, what the fuck are you doing to this community, man? Get out of here, bro. Stop spamming, man. Alright, I'm a little bit of a dump on Shiba right now. Okay, so, guys, come over to Twitter. Come over to my Twitter and absolutely desecrate this tweet. Alright? Does not work. Yeah, it does. It does work. MDX bonus works. Yeah, just click the link. So, Shiba Inu did the same amount of volume as Bitcoin today. Shiba Inu did the same. Here we literally go. Guys, come and hit the fucking... I'll come and join it as well. I'll join the fucking crew. Hit the like button, Legendays. Retweet this, like it, comment on it. Do your thing. If you want to get the MDX bonus code for Bybit, guys, you just go into... so you can see, this is my website, by the way, guys. This is mdxcrypto.com. So what you see here, guys, best products. This is mdxcrypto.com, mdxcrypto.com. If you click on best products on here, you'll actually get to this website. You can get all the bonuses here. But the easier way to do it. Oh, yeah, massive dump. Let's go. Retest at this level here, guys. Go on the session ID. Look, retest. Let's keep an eye on this bad boy. So, yeah, guys, if you want to get the bonus for Bybit, and then you can use it to short. I can have my tongue. Guys, what you do is in the description below, you can see the link to Bybit says $2,500 bonus. It's actually a $3,500 bonus when you sign up with the link below, my link. It's a referral link, guys, so you get a bonus. I get a bonus as well. But what you can do, guys, with that bonus you get on Bybit, you can actually use it to short and long Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is one of the trading pairs on Bybit right now. And Bybit's a very simple exchange. Yo, what are we getting? We're getting resistance of the high. This is interesting. I like this. I like this. I like this. The more times you hit a support level, guys, the more likely you are to break it. I haven't even got any of my short in yet. Here we fucking go. That's the first time we've broken that trend line. Yeah. Oh, legendaries. Legendaries. Oh, me. Oh, brother. Right. So this is what I was talking about now. Oh, mate. I wish I was freaking... Let me log into my account. I can't log into my phone. I disabled it. No, I want a short Shiba. Oh, here we go, Legendaries. Okay, so look, let's fucking do this, guys. This is a good time to be on the chart right now. So you can see here, previous high price could break it, resistance, right? Now, guys, what we're looking for is this level here. Okay, you can see here, previous low. We have a break of a trend line now. Now you can place a trade. I'm tempted to do it myself, but I'm on stream with you legends, so I'll just sacrifice my own positions to teach you guys a few things about what can happen right now. So likelihood is you could get a retest, okay? Back up retest to the trend line. If it breaks that level there, this is the level you really want to be looking at, okay, in terms of shorting now, because we've broken this trend line. This is a significant trend line all the way down. Yes, it can find support of this level here. Okay, we can see it already. It's trying to hold, but the likelihood is you don't short now. You don't short yet. This is already halfway through the move. You want to wait. Okay, you want to wait, and you want to wait for a retest. Okay, wait for the retest to hit, and that'll be your initiation to say, look, let's get the fuck out of this, because let's see if it gets bought back up. Let's bought back up. This is fucking live shizzle right now. Yo, hit the like button for the live stuff right now. Live stuff kicking off. Let's go. Shiba gonna burn, man. What did that guy say? It's tanking. It is. So yeah, what I'm saying is this is the first break now. This is the first initiation of the break of this trend line. We're beneath the EMAs. You can see momentum on the daily is overextended. Momentum on the 4 hour is overextended. If you guys want to short this fucking market right now, guys, if you want to get in and get on this, get a Bybit account, guys. Use the link below, guys. Get a Bybit account. Get the free fucking bonus. This is your chance to actually get some exposure to Shiba Inu on a short. I'm not going to bother going into all my accounts and shit right now. This is a good sign though for the bears. Okay, break of the trend line beneath the EMAs. The indicator would have probably caught that beautifully. Look at that short call there. Got it on just about that candle there. So it's basically this candle. So you would have got, even if you did the low of it, you still managed to get in. So short on that already happened. Looks like we're going to get the retest, okay? So there is a trade here, guys, okay? Now, you need to be prepared, right? To take a loss on any trade, okay? This is how I would play this right now. If this does come up to say here, I'd look for a short. And my stop loss will be at the high, okay? Because if it does come up, guys, and it does that, and it breaks it, and the likelihood is you get a dump off it anyway, okay? But if it does come straight through it, you just have it so you can only lose 1%, okay, of your portfolio if it does want to get deviation play. Okay, so the short is to short this trend line, okay? That's the level to short, okay, the trend line. You could even, it's a little bit too fast. I probably want to see this like wave out a little bit for a little bit, something like that first before we get there. But the trade for me is shorting this trend line. Not all your position, 10% of the short you're looking for. This is a crack in the ice, okay? So it's like, you know, you've got a hammer, you just hit the wall once, okay? It's going to take 50 times to break the wall, but you've got one hit, okay? So what I'll be looking for here is to take a short on this trend line. You could even potentially put 10% of your short in now on this trade, guys. But be prepared, depending on what you want to do, whatever strategy it is, be prepared that you can get stopped out at 1% and lose 1% of your portfolio. But I think that the risk to reward right now of doing a short on this trend line is pretty decent. Let's have a look where we are right now. Let's go on the 4 hour. It's getting wicked up crazy on the 4 hour. Just wait for it to play out. See what happens. It's still a break. It's a close above the trend line right now on the hourly. Fucking hell, the support is crazy. Yeah, I'd probably take a 10% of my position short here, just to hedge on the fact that it comes back down again anyway for the retest. And then I would say it's unlikely it goes all the way up like that. It's possible, but it's unlikely. I'd say you take a short on this trend line. It's a little bit too fast right now. It's come up too quickly, so wait for it to kind of arc back around like this, and then wait for it. That buyback's crazy right there. And this is just what I would do, guys, in my strategy. You don't have to fucking go what I'm saying. This is what I would do in my strategy. And I'll be prepared on this trade, if it does come back down, to then put... So if you do short this level, which if you got it here, if you shorted, if it comes back down, and then it comes back round, just put your stop at break even. At least you can't lose the trade, okay? It's already getting a pretty significant rejection on it right now. Let's have a look what's going on the 1 second. It got a bit of a rejection off that right there. Let's have a look what's going on. Let's go on the 1 minute. Let me just see if I can get the 1 minute up, because this is happening so rapidly right now. So you can see actually it's actually playing out pretty darn well on the lower time frames. You can see that we came down to this almost this support region. We've rallied back up to this trend line, and now we're seeing a little bit of resistance off it. But it came up so quick, I would see probably back down to around here. So the short level is this. The short is on this trend line, but it's not really looking like it's getting much off it. But I would say this probably comes down to around here and then back up. And if it does get above it, then you're seeing this going to continue. But I think it's worth the risk to take that trade, okay? Because even if you do short this trend line, you know, you'd be in a little bit of profit already. It's nothing significant. But if it did come down, at least you know that if it comes back down, then you can put your stop loss to break even, or even a slightly in a, you know, loss. And then if it does come back around and break through it, at least you can only lose a very, very small amount. And you've managed to have exposure to downside, okay? Which we are getting right now, a little bit of downside. But nothing, this is nothing special. Off the trend line, it's only getting... It's still fucking 3%. I can't believe this market's moving so rapidly. Rapid movements, guys. Insanity. BTC pumps when Shiba dumps. Let's have a look at what BTC just did. I'll look at BTC in a second. Yo, massive stream. Everybody's in here watching this shit. It's an absolutely crazy stream. Shiba's this... guys, it's 5:10 in the morning for me. It's 5:10 in the morning, Legendaries. Hit the like button, guys. 1,800 people in here. Desecration is key. We're going to watch this shit play out on stream 100% live. That's what we fucking do. We love this shizzle and nizzle. It's back to like the old days, you know? Remember when Dogecoin was kicking off? Guys, I made a name for myself for shorting Dogecoin, okay? I shorted Dogecoin at 67 cents. And everyone was calling me an idiot for it at the time. They said it's going to $1. It never went to $1. I am looking to short this market I'm probably not going to have time to short a market tonight. I'm just going to probably stream with you legends. I'm just going to kind of like guide you guys in terms of what I would do if I was actually looking at it. But right now we're just hovering beneath that fucking level right there. I think it comes down a bit more before we get a move up. Why is the 1 minute not start on this? Like, what's going on? Like, I need the 1 minute and I need all the fucking shit levels for this fucking goddamn asset. So yeah, if you did take the short on that, obviously some other people have as well. It looks to me like right now maybe a little bit lower and then a hold, and then it probably actually gets a lot higher and wants to go up a little bit on this. But if you took the short on the trend line, then you'll be in some profit right now. Yeah, it seems to be moving down quite nicely off that trend line. We got a decent rejection off that on the 1 minute as well. You can see it more clearly. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, I do want to get into a short on this market. I do. I shorted Dogecoin. Fucking hell, there's a sell there. I did get a decent sell on Doge. And I want to short this as well. But I if I miss it, I miss it. But this is the first of the warning signals, guys. You have a break of a trend line. You're beneath the EMAs. We know that the daily stochastic RSI was overbought. The 4 hour is overbought as well. The 4 hours actually had a bearish cross as well. 5 minute rejection off the trend line. We've got it. 1 minute, we've had the rejection as well. Let's see where we go, guys. It looks like it's planning out quite nicely in terms of you took that short there. It's going to come down a bit more. Maybe if it breaks the low, then it's curtains for this for a bit. It's probably going to do a Fibonacci retracement on this. But guys, listen, if you want to short this market, if you want to short or long Shiba Inu right now, guys, the exchange I am using to short Shiba Inu is freaking Bybit, guys. Bybit is the highest liquidity, highest open interest exchange in crypto right now. It's insane the amount of volume happening. The link below, guys, to Bybit actually gives you a free $3,500 bonus, guys. So if you use my link below to sign up to Bybit, you can actually use that free money to long or short Shiba right fucking now. Okay, so it's pretty hot right now. Obviously, there's a lot of volatility in Shiba. It's moving crazy moves. What move was that? That was a fucking 11% move, man. That was an 11% move. It's just insane, man. It's like, it's a dream for anyone to have 11% in most traditional markets, and you're getting it in like freaking 5 seconds on this shit. It's in 5 minutes, ledge on this. But guys, this is what you see on this screen right now are the MDX signals indicators. These are actually my indicators I've developed with my team, and they actually give you a long and short call in the market. You can see this long here, guys. If you took that call, you'd be up 6%. If you actually took this short call here, you'd be up 12%. So these indicators, you can get access to them via the MDX trading portal. There's a link below to the MDX trading portal. Completely free to sign up, guys, but MDX Premium, where you get the indicators, basically costs like $60 a month, and you get 4 indicators in a suite of services. But you can go check that out for yourself. Do what you want. We're actually got a brand new update coming to the portal as well, new UI and stuff. But I will tell you Legendays in the community more about that later. It's probably going to take another few weeks for it to be finished, and then it's going to be pretty cool. Delicioso. Delicioso. As a proud Portuguese man would say, because I live in Portugal, delicioso. Delicio. Massive stream. Did you not listen? Bye. We got 1,900 people in this stream right now, guys. Yo, if you could do one thing for me, legends, okay? I get that it's a fucking, wherever you're on the world, it might be a different time. But right now, legends, it's 5:14 in the morning, okay? I didn't even plan to do this stream. It's 5:14 in the morning, guys. If you could do one thing for me and you could just absolutely obliterate the like button, that'd be absolutely amazing. Because the more likes, guys, the more these videos get seen by the YouTube community or whatever, crypto community. And the more people who come into the community, guys, the better it is for everybody. Because the more people who come into crypto, the more people who fucking see Shiba. So we actually did get a pretty decent short rejection off that trend line quite nicely. Just about got it in terms of those 2 wicks. The 1 minute was actually perfect. It does look like it wants to come a bit lower. You can actually see here, we actually do have a symmetrical formation. So there's actually a symmetrical triangle on the lower time frames. And you know that these are, if you come into them bearish, they're more likely to play out bearish. So right now in the balance of probabilities, I'd say this probably goes lower. Maybe something like this and then breaks down and maybe gets another wick and holds. That's what I'd look for on this one. But that short of that retest short would have been nice if you took it. You could have already been in on that short right there, right now, about 5% up. So check it out. Congratulations if you took that short. The 5 minute looks pretty interesting. This it's a break of trend, definitely. Trend line broken. We had the retest already pretty rapidly, so this could, this could eventually result actually in a bit of a dearer correction. Let's have a look where we are. Why is there a yellow line there? What's this? Is that the Fibonacci retracement numbers we've got here? Where are the fibs? Yeah, so actually we do have the fibs coming in there actually. So I would say that if this does want to play out to be a top, we're probably going to come down to, something like this probably, and actually do something like that and then hold and continue. I'd actually see that probably being where we go. And that's going to be a pretty, that's a 42% move. Like, if this dumps now, yeah, fucking hell, I knew it was going to dump, man. Yo, come on, man. I wish I was, if I wasn't streaming Legends, I would have probably started my short right now. But it doesn't matter. If you guys make money, you make money. Here we go. Yo, new low. Let's go, people. Shiba to the dumps, man. Dump Shiba. Warning to the fucking people trading, brother. Right, so if you took that short there, I just basically gave you an idea of when to do it. If you shorted the trend line, you would be in pretty decent profit right now. I wish it was me, sir. I wish it was me. I was going to start it, but, there might be another retest. Let's have a look what we get before we get a decent correction. Look, guys, I'm not going to beat around the bush. Oh, that was a big sell there. If you want to short this market, Legends, go and short on Bybit. Be quick, guys. Use the link below to Bybit. Get an account. Get the free $2,000. It's actually $3,500, guys. Bybit are actually doing a $3,500 sign-up bonus right now. Use the link below, guys, to sign up to Bybit. Use the free money to long or short Shiba. And looking at the market right now, guys, it's probably better to look for shorts. I already said on my Twitter earlier, guys, that I am going to be looking for short Shiba. Just did more on the fucking Bitcoin. I did say, guys, that, I'm looking for shorts. But I only started streaming. I shouldn't have started streaming. Obviously, I'm streaming now because, I fucking want to bring content to the community. I want to bring content to you Legends. But, if I didn't stream, I probably would have tried to get into this position. But yeah, you can buy if you want. Yeah, look, the Shiba army, you can come in and buy this if you want. I can see this coming back up. I can see this moving back up at the 5 minute. That was just a retest. That was the retest of the trend line. Look, this is a very, very quick move, okay? So, it could just be this, right? And continuation. We don't know just of yet. All we do know is this. There has been a change of behavior, and there's been a change of structure. Because this trend line has been held the whole way up here, and now it's broken. That's one thing. Also, guys, we're beneath the EMAs, okay? The EMAs is a closed basis. And we already know that the daily stochastic and the 4-hour stochastic is overbought. And we can see it's trending down now, okay? The stochastic RSI. So there's a few different things here. I think the short, I just said to you guys on stream, I think there is a short on the trend line. And now you're in a good position if you took it, because it means that if you did short there, which obviously is going to be a scalp trade, that area there, right? It's going to be a scalp move. If you did take that short, what you can do now is you can comfortably say to yourself that, you're in 7% profit. What you could just do is you can basically just either, depending on your strategy, put your stop loss at break even or slightly in profit. So if it comes back up and wicks you out, you can then short the next level. Or you can say to yourself, I'll leave that, put a 1 to 3% stop loss at the high, and then scale into your short as it comes back, okay? Because this could always move back in here and then flush down like that and then fanny around for a bit and then break, Or it can come up here and hold and get above the trend line and then keep going, okay? So there's no guarantees in this game, but my inkling is that, looking for shorts now. And this is a decent wick. I'd just say, guys, get a Bybit account right now and fucking go and short that shit, because no, I don't say anything. You can do what you fucking want. I want to short it. I want to go on my Bybit account and short it. Delicioso, sir. But my Bybit account's all locked up. So I'll say this, right? Yeah. So right now it's got the low time frames. It's got this Dogecoin on the 1 second. Or Shiba on the 1. Yo, Shiba on the 1 second. This is gonna fucking moon. This is gonna be hilarious. On the 1 second. If we lose the lows, guys, that was a huge freaking buy, dude. Someone just went smashed in and out there. Yeah, this is getting dumped, Legends. Yo, Shiba on the 1 second. See you later, Legendays. Crikey, Mikey, mate. Look at that. Also, Legends, if you're new to this kind of streaming, I do this all the time. I literally stream for hours on end, talking about charts, etc., and teach you how to trade. Hit the subscribe button, Legendays. There's actually 2,000 people in here, I think, nearly now. Guys, hit the subscribe button. The link is obviously below. Do what you got to do. Hit the like button, guys. We're almost let's get to 2,000 likes, guys. If we get 2,000 likes on this stream, legends, I will go over to my Bybit account and put on a fucking great short. Even at this price. I don't care if I win or lose. 2,000 likes. But guys, if you want to long or short the market, I already told you a million times, I am going to be looking to get into a short myself. Obviously, I shouldn't have been streaming this long. It's 5:20 in the morning for me, right? I'm knackered. But if you are looking yourself to long and short Shiba Inu, getting out of this position, the great thing about Bybit, the link below to Bybit, check it out. Because the great thing about Bybit is that you can actually short Shiba Inu on USDT perpetual swaps. Okay, so that means when Shiba Inu goes down, you don't make more Shiba, you make more US dollars. Okay, so what I would say is yeah, use the link below to Bybit, guys. It's my referral link, obviously. If you use it, you get a bonus and I get a bonus. You can actually get $3,500 free shit in the exchange right now on Bybit with the link below my link. And you can actually use that money, legends, to short the shit out of Shiba. So have fun. You can short, you can long Shiba right now on Bybit because Bybit's got loads of new altcoins. So definitely check it out. Come on, Shiba, you little baby. 15-minute looks like, yeah. Yeah, it could be something like this, though. You can see actually in here. I think, yeah, it's probably maybe one more up. It could come down as far as this previous high price here, okay? It could definitely come down that far, for sure. You can even see it coming down here as well. So I'd say the next levels really for this is here and here. If that does confirm as a top, which it does look quite... Looks the balance probabilities right now, looking at what we're doing, yeah, it looks like it could be. That short there would have been bliss. If you had got that retest there, good job, guys. I literally just said that on stream a second ago, guys. If you were watching, I said that the break and the retest is where you want to get your short in, and then look, you actually would have done pretty well with that. It's on the 5-minute, leave it on there for a bit. But yeah, it's a break of structure. Guys, tell me right now in the chat, are you long or are you short on frickin' Shiba? Tell me in the chat right now, legends, are you long or are you short on frickin' Shiba Inu? In the chat right now. 2,000 people in there. What's crack-a-lackin', homies? Yeah, I said 1K like, guys, but I said you've got 1 minute to do it. I'm not allowing it to just be 1K likes and then leave it for fucking 45 minutes. You get, yeah, what are you talking like, legends? Like, what's going on? Buy and hold. Shit, so many longs. I can see a lot of longs in here. Shorts, longs. A lot of people long in the market, guys, yo. I don't know what the long to short ratio is on Shiba, but it looks like you guys are long in that. Absolutely loving it. So we're actually down at the support region here, okay? So now let's start looking at what we've got. Okay, we've got this level here. That's significant as well. You can see this is a beautiful SR flip. We have resistance, 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 active as support, SR flip. Likelihood is you'll probably get something more there. Let's have a look at the visible range as well. So visible range was the inflection point. That, you know, this is actually really interesting watching this on this stream, because this is what I exactly actually said to you guys a second ago. I said that what you could see is this being a deviation over this level, and you can actually see this basically coming through, breaking down through it within a retest of the trend line. And it actually happened very, very, very quickly. This market Shiba is moving probably faster than any market in the world. Like I don't see many markets which move this quickly. Shiba is absolutely insane. So what you've seen here, you've actually seen a whole entire dynamic play out in a very, very quick space of time. You have an SR flip where all the volume's taking place. You have basically an ascending formation built underneath it, ascending triangle. You have a break, right? You have the ascending. You have a retest of the top side of the top side of the triangle with a deviation breakthrough and a retest. So this is actually what Bitcoin did when it went to 64,000. So Bitcoin did this. It came into this. It went like that. It broke at the end and it broke back down, and then it came back up. And it made a lower low, a lower high, and then broke down. Do you remember that? That was the ascending formation. Just go and look at the 64K top. It looks exactly the same as that. So what you just saw here, guys, on Shiba was a rapid version of that. And that's exactly what I said. Ascending formation. You have a break of the upside. Deviation play lower low now. and then it's going to probably rally back up again and then even come even lower, okay? But actually, what you can actually say, what it did is it did that very, very quickly. It already did the lower low, the higher low. So you can see here, as it broke here, it actually did retest the trend line. And that's when I said to you guys on stream, I said to you a second ago, the short would be there. And now, you know, this doesn't have to be the top of the market, right? The short basically means that if you did short this level, which it tagged perfectly. Can't believe how fucking perfect that tag was. Anyway, it was a beautiful tag. But actually, Shiba Inu is trading real nice. I actually really might fucking start diving into this a bit more and trading this more, because that was actually crazy how textbook that was. Anyway, so trend line short was there. If you took that short now, guys, what you can do is you can logically put your stop loss into break even or profit. So if this market does come back up and then find support over this level, you haven't lost money. Okay, so that would have been the trade. Did anybody take the short? I don't know. Did anyone take the short? Did anyone just take the short that I said? Max, you did it. What? Did anyone just take the short I said on stream, or was it too fast? Because that was rapid. That was way fast. That was like, that happened in like 5 fucking seconds. So if you took that short, congratulations. If you didn't take that short, then don't worry about it. We'll be selling it all. You called it. Dude, they're just saying random. Everything's just going crazy in this chat right now. Yes, you did take the short. Legends. Yo, fucking let's go, people. That was a quick move. Like, that was a shorting that resistance there on the trend lines quick. I took the short. Nice. Guys, post your P&L. If you took the short I just called on the channel, post your P&L in MDX Legends. And also, guys, it's not really my call. I have to say this right now. I just told you what I would have done in this situation. So I'm not telling you to do fuck all, right? I'm not telling you to do anything. It's just what I would have done in the situation. So if you did take the short, guys, come and post your P&L in here. And if you want it... Oh, here we go. We're getting even more dumpage right now. Even more dumpage coming in. And also, Legends, if you wanna short this market, if you want to long or short Dogecoin right now, guys, you know what to do, guys. The link below is to Bybit. Bybit has Shiba Inu USDT perpetual swaps on the fucking biggest exchange for open interest. So Bybit's got massive, massive open interest and volume. One of the best exchanges in the game. The link below, guys, to Bybit, which you have to use my link, obviously. It's a bonus link, so I get a bonus. You guys get a massive bonus as well. But if you use that link, guys, you will get money in the exchange, right, for free. And you can use that money to then come and long and short Shiba. And looking at the market right now, it's probably a good time to fucking have a look for some shorts. I said that on my Twitter earlier. Yo, I'm looking for shorts, okay? I'm looking for shorts on Shiba. Look, you get the free money on you get the free money in Bybit, so you can come and long and short Shiba. So use that link below, guys, to Bybit, get an account, and Bybit's a great exchange for longing and shorting altcoins, because you can actually do them with USDT perpetual swaps, and also you can do it with leverage, etc., and all these other kind of tools, limit only, post only, reduce only, limit orders and stuff. So I'm actually kind of a little bit salty right now that I'm watching this play out and I didn't manage to get my own position on. Oh, don't worry about it. Doesn't matter. Don't matter, mate. This does look like it's kind of look at that go, son. Big break in the trend line. The session volume is coming down exactly where the golden retracement is as well, actually. Interesting. Let me quickly get rid of all this crap on the screen. One sec. We don't want this background color. Oh no, we want that. That's a nice color. We can deal with that. We can deal with that. What was it on 30 or something? It looks like it was probably on around 50% actually. We need to get rid of this background color. Shiba is absolutely dump it, sir. Dump it, sir. I just saw it moving massively. Yeah, it's a beautiful break of a trend line with a retest and then just absolute dump station. Literally like up to here, back down, retest, dump. You guys will probably be in some decent P&L if you took that short on the channel. Guys, yo, 1,500 likes almost. Hit the like button, you know what to do. If you're new to the stream, desecrate the freaking subscribe button as well. Subscribe, like, you know what to do, all that kind of stuff. Wrecked. Everybody getting mortally wrecked. Would have really have liked to have got into that ascending formation. It's just such a fucking textbook sort of formation. Look, like all the way up, squeezes into it, You get the retest break, deviation, retest, lower. Oh, it's beautiful. Love it, love it. Love to see it. You know, at the end of the day, I am streaming, so bit salty that I didn't begin to start my short. But, you know, doesn't matter, Legendaries. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You know, at the end of the day, this can still come up and get another retest, you know. You know, we have broken this level now, so this is actually now significantly swing lower low. The high is, you know, you could even say it was there, you know, so this is definitely a downtrending market just as of now in the short term. But, you know, if we hold this level here, you know, it's not all said and done just now, because we could get some sort of deviation play similar to this. So you see that move there. You know, you have a big rally, okay, big drop. If it holds, you can get the deviation still, okay. So you have a big rally up into this here. You know, you could even say actually potentially that was the first hit. Swing round, dump back down, dump back down. If it wants to hold back up and get the deviation, then ascending formation. You can see here, hold back up, deviation, ascending formation. Then you could say this could be continuation, but as of right now, you have to be in the court of the bears. Fucking thing flying around. Because you have got to break it. It's the break of structure. So, you know, I can see, you know, that was the retest though. It's quite, I knew it would be quick. I said at the beginning of the stream, I said that the retest is not going to be that significant. You know, this was like another asset. It probably would have just done that for ages and then come up like this and then done this. But that was such a sharp move. This market is hilarious. Like, yo. Now I get why everyone's addicted to Shiba. This is like fucking goddamn... This is like freaking goddamn gambling on steroids. This is like a rush. This is why everybody loves Shiba, bro. Maybe I'm going to turn into a Shiba degen. Maybe I'm just going to Shiba it up and just degen up. Because, yo, this is hilarious right now. Like, I told you the short play. I told you the short play. I said short the fucking trend line. That played out so nicely from the top side, you know. Even the MDX signals, and this is my indicators I developed with my team, guys. You can see here the MDX signals indicator. Still, that short there is a crazy cool. Even that short there from that candle there. You could have taken 2 trades in the last fucking 15 minutes on that. Crazy shizzle, man. Crazy shizzle. Guys, if you want to get access to the indicators, these are my indicators I developed with my team. There's basically a link below which says the MDX trading portal. It's completely free to sign up, guys. If you want to get the indicators, though, you need MDX Premium. You actually get 4 indicators. I'll quickly show you what it looks like now. Whip it up quickly for you. So this is the dashboard, guys. This is where you get all the dashboard metrics to use in the portal. But within MDX Premium, you actually get access to 4 indicators. Okay, these 4 indicators here. All you need is MDX Premium. Just basically come and sign up, guys. The link is below to the MDX trading portal. Check it out. But I'll show you legends that later. Guys, hit the like button. If you took the short, you took the short. Smash that like button if you love it. You know what to do. But there's a lot of action happening with Shiba right now. And guys, you got to remember, for me, it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to end up watching the fucking sunrise again. It's not even a smash stream. This is a sober stream. Insane, insane, insane. But guys, I'm a bit salty that I didn't manage to get into this short myself, okay? So, you know, at the end of the day, I wanted to get into it, but fuck it, man. It's not over yet for Shiba. If this can still come back up and hold and then get a retest. It was a very, very sharp retest of the trend line, okay? Very, very sharp. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back up a little bit more and does something like that. It could even, you know, if it wants to create an ascending formation, then fine. These guys, I feel like this could be a little bit dangerous for these guys buying here. It just looks a little bit on a knife edge. You know, if I was really going to be honest with you here, I'd just say that I wouldn't be looking to buy this level. I'd be looking to buy a little bit lower. I'll buy this level here. I'll buy this level here. I'll buy this level here, the yellow line. I'll buy these two, but this is just a little bit too preemptive for me. This is probably going to do one more like that, maybe. I think you'll get some support here, though. That's an ascending formation right there with a break. This is a good SR flip. You got 4 areas of resistance, 1 of support. It's a beautiful SR. It's almost there, but I would say it looks a little bit preemptive to me. But this is fucking Shiba Inu, so anything can happen. But I'd say maybe up to like that, maybe 1 more down. Then it could potentially get the reversal back up. But if I was you guys, I'd be looking for shorts in this market right now. Because you have a break. I'd already told you to short that trend line. I didn't tell you to do anything. I'd said that I said that if I was you, because it's me telling you to do it. No. I said if I was getting into a trade, I'd short that level. But guys, I'm not in a short yet on Shiba. I am going to be scaling into a short, like I said, because I think this is going to be people making generational money on the way up. It's going to be generational money made on the way down as well for the short sellers. Oh god, it's so late. But anyway, guys, if you want to long or short Shiba Inu right now, guys, check out the link below to Bybit, because Bybit you can trade Shiba Inu right now with the USDT perpetual swap. Also, the great thing about Bybit with the link below is that it's my referral link, so you get a bonus, I get a bonus, obviously, and so everybody wins. And then you actually get a $3,500 bonus within the platform when you sign up, and you can actually use that money on Shiba Inu right now to long or short it. And obviously I'll be looking for short. So if I were you guys, I'd get an account with Bybit and use that fucking money to short the shizzle manizzle. In my opinion, is what I would do. Would start looking at shorting Shiba in terms of this will be the short was on that trend line there, but this can move up, guys. And then I think this is the first crack and maybe a more longer term downtrend for Shiba if we get. It's not all said and done right now. But we do have a clean break of this trend line, okay? There's a clean break of this trend line. And, it looks to me on the hourly, like, if we do close this like that, what time is it right now? Fucking hell, it's so late. I'm not even going to look at the time. It's nearly 6 a.m. Yo, I feel like I'm back to the old days, man. Scalp trading into the night, crazy. Yo, good lad. Took the short from MDX. Nailed it in their fucking shit, man. Good lad, brother. Guys, hit the like button as well. If you love these streams, smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button as well. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. Holding up quite well here, Holding up quite well here. So now let's look for bottoming out formations, okay? So this level here, definitely important in there. Get it on the wick, actually. This is an important level here. Probably resistance back down. Guess what, guys? You have a reverse head and shoulders formation, okay? So, yo, Shiba is moving so rapidly. You're seeing so many different dynamics, patterns, fucking SRs. It's crazy, man. Now I know why everyone loves Shiba. It's just absolutely so volatile. I'm going to have to just degen into this, man, and just go on I'll just use my indicator, and I'll just degen market smash in and out on Bybit. That'd be good times. So right now, 5 minute, we're beneath the EMAs. If you took the short on that trend line, then fine. This is actually genius, man. The Shiba Nation. So I'd say probably get something like that right now. That would be the bullish formation, bullish scenario with that, and then bank breakout, reverse head and shoulders. Bearish scenario is back down and continue the trend. Okay, with these EMAs coming like that. I'm still here, Pete. It's 6 a.m., dude. I'm still charting Shiba.
It's not 6 a.m.
It's nearly 6 a.m.
Oh, I'm going to bed.
Yeah, fucking hell. We need to get betters. Oh, brother from another. I'm addicted to Shiba right now, though. I can't get enough of Sheebs, man. What time is it for you in the world? Where are you in the world right now? What time is it? Put the time for you in the world right now. I want to know. What time is it for you in Z world, sir? So this is a chart, actually, which I would think was good. Swing low to swing high. Where's your high, though? Yeah, you've got on swing high. So golden retracement, I would say, is good. Yeah, I think the golden retracement is coming in at the 618 we got here. Huh? Shit, son. I think your Fibonacci is slightly different to mine in terms of your 618 is quite high. I think you're on logarithmic. Show me that. 12 a.m., 10 o'clock a.m. Everyone's in the morning. Everyone's like in the freaking morning right now. Well, guys, if it makes you feel any better, it's 5:40 in the morning for me right now. And I literally had a massive day yesterday. So this looks good, actually. Let's have a look at your Fibonacci's you had there. So in terms of my fibs, I think you went from a different level. But, from swing low, I'm looking at swing low from here. Swing low, swing high. You could even say maybe there's something here as well. Let's have a look where we're at, okay? I'd say it was more. We haven't even got to the 382 on this yet. I wouldn't say there's anything really there. But if we do want to break down and get that proper swing, in terms of a lower high on this, I think we could easily come down to the 618. I'd say first of all, though, looking at 382, of course. 382, of course, which is coinciding with something else, actually. That previous high price there as well. This is my first level I've got on my chart. I may have this one as well. Let me get rid of all these fucking lines. Let's have a look where we are. Yes, it looks like we're actually going to get another opportunity as well to come into this. Let's see what happens here. If this wants to come up here, I think there is another opportunity to short here for another push down. I think there is another opportunity to short this trend line, guys. Up to here and then back down, and then we have to see whether it does this, right? Ascending formation and then break, or we get this, and then this would be the more bearish scenario. Okay, so obviously it would be like more actually like that, to be honest. That'll be a descending formation. Okay, so descending formation with a breakdown like that, or we get an ascending formation like this, and it's more of a break up. Okay, and we know that ascending formations and descending formations, they are both bearish and bullish formations. So bullish is ascending, bearish is descending. But Shiba is a good lot of fun. How long have we been streaming for? I've been on stream for nearly 3 hours. An error has occurred. What happened to the error, man? It looks mental. What happened to the error? Can you guys see me still? What's going on? It says error has occurred or some shit. YouTube don't want me to do any freaking goddamn freaking streams on Shiba, man. Short the Shib. Short the Shiba-rooney, man. Been a good stream. Massive stream. Anyway, so yeah, maybe I'll stream Shiba more often. Everybody seems to love this shizzle and izzle. But yeah, so at the end of the day, I would have to say right now that my hunch would be that potentially this is probably the beginning of something more big on Shiba in terms of a breakdown. And I think the first levels I'm looking at is this level here, and then we've got this previous high price here. Those are the two levels I see as support. This looks a little bit too hot to me. You know, if it comes back down one more time and gets there, then I would see potentially a bounce. But if it does want to come to here, we might get that as well. Look, if we come up to here and then we hold this region, you know, that's a good sign for the bulls. Okay, for this actually being an ascending formation, then breaking out again, continuing trend with a kind of you could say a blip in the road. And then bearish scenario is basically looking at losing this level here. So down again, maybe up to here, like down like that, descending formation, break, and then we're probably gonna do something like that. And then that would be basically hell for the bulls, but bliss for the bears. And guess what, guys? With freaking goddamn exchanges like Bybit and Femex, all the links are below, guys. Especially Bybit. Bybit have Shiba Inu on their exchange right now. You can literally trade Shiba Inu with a USD perpetual. So the great thing about Bybit is that you can long it and you can short it. You can make money on the way fucking up and the way fucking down. So if you want to short Shiba Inu right now, guys, or long Shiba Inu, use the link below to Bybit, get an account, get the free money they give you, the free bonus money they give you, and then use that money to long or short long or short Shiba Inu and have some fun with it, because I'm gonna have to do a degen freaking video of me just market smashing in and out of Shiba Inu with my indicator. The MDX, what's the last long we had? The last long was there. See, this thing is just like catching every freaking move. On the 3 minute, were pretty quite cool as well. The 3 minute actually got completely caught by the indicator, guys. You can see here that this candle here, guys, was when the MDX signals indicator said to go short. If you had taken that short, guys, you would have taken it anywhere on that candle there. But, you know, if you had taken that short from there, guys, you could have been up on this trade right now from where it says TP. You could have been up fucking 15%, guys, in literally the space of a handful of 30 minutes. The 3 minute on this indicator has been very, very accurate, actually. You can see here, you have a long call here. That would have been crazy, because this actually says, the thing about these indicators which I've created with my team, is that you have a long entry, but you also get a TP as well. So it tells you when to get into the market and it tells you when to get out of the market. Okay, so most people in trading, they have a strategy to get in, but people don't realize that getting out is just as important as getting in. Just as important as getting out is just as important as getting in. So like most people, like, you know, they get into bull markets or they get into uptrending markets, but they don't have an exit strategy or a resistance level to look at. In terms of an orientation point, which means that they rally with it. You know, they get into a good position, they go all the way up with the market, and then it crashes, you know, very quickly. They give back all the gains in a small amount of time, and they don't actually end up making much money. So, you know, you need to have a good entry and a good exit. You can even see here on this one here as well, you have a entry exit, entry, exit, entry, exit. Okay, so you can use this to trade. These are indicators, guys, you can get within the MDX trading portal. And basically, just look in the description, guys. There's a link which says MDX trading portal. Just click the link, sign up, completely free to sign up. And then if you want to get the indicators, guys, just basically sign up to MDX Premium, and then we'll sort you out. It's fucking goddamn 6 a.m. right now here, so we'll sort you out tomorrow because I need to get some fucking sleep. But generally speaking, we'll get you sorted out. And then what I recommend is to trade markets, guys, use Bybit or Femex. These are the best exchanges I use every day. Bybit and Femex are the two exchanges I use. The links are below. I recommend getting a Bybit account and a Femex account. But on Bybit right now, you can actually trade Shiba Inu right now with the USD Perpetuals. So use the link below, guys. Get the free money. Get the free bonus money with these exchanges with my referral links. And then you can actually use the money to buy and sell Shiba, long and short Shiba. HODL, sir! Stuff at the mod squad. Yo, so, but guess when it will dip? Honest answer. So we already said that one. Shiba profits jump in Satoshi Bear. Crazy. Satoshi Shiba. Sato Shiba. Shiba profits jump into Sato Shiba. Crazy. Let's go. Thanks for the 10 ROM. You're from Romania, I think. Hello. Can you look at Dogelon Mars, please? Yo, okay, listen. Come into MDX Legends. Come into the MDX Legends group and post those charts. One of the mod squad will pick it up. One of my guys, they're fucking legends, I know. They'll pick it up and show me what's going on with that. But yeah, it's only the beginners for Shiba. Hold and don't sell. Fucking hell, legends. Come on, boys. You've got to sell at some point. You've got to take profit, especially with Shiba. Like, guys, the next Bitcoin bear market, right? Bitcoin is going to go down. In the next Bitcoin bear market, it's probably going to lose 75% of its value. Okay, 75% is going to go down in price, okay, for Bitcoin. Things like Shiba Inu are going to go down more than 90% probably in the next bear market. They're going to go down more than 90%. So if you had a long enough time horizon right now, okay, if you had a long enough time horizon and you had the access and the resources to short this fucking goddamn coin, and you had enough time and enough energy, enough resources to do it, what I'm thinking is, guys, I'm looking to short this market. I'm not really looking to do more than a 6-month perpetual swap on fucking goddamn Bybit, because obviously you get eaten up by funding. But if you had the resources, you would short this market, and it would be a very, very comfortable trade for me to say that Shiba is going to go back to where it fucking came from. That's basically to zero, okay? It's very likely Shiba is going to go much, much lower in the future. The timing is the problem. I would say that within now to another year, it can stay high. But when Bitcoin goes to this next bear market, it'll be low. So the reason I'm looking to short Shiba, generally speaking, is because I could potentially have the resources and the energy to do that trade, depending on a few factors. So that's what I am still looking to get into my short for Shiba. And I think actually I'm gonna end the stream probably in the next like fucking hour or so. I don't know. Maybe are we gonna do? I'll go until 6:30. But like, guys, okay. If you want me to stay on for longer, hit the like button right now, guys. 2,000 likes. It's freaking goddamn nearly 6 a.m. I'm running on empty right now, Legendays. But hit the like button, guys, if you want to keep me doing this stream. But fucking, what I'm saying is right now is that, yeah, I think there is an opportunity here to make some money on a short play. And what happened to the market cap then? So obviously it probably just took a hit. It went to number 7 up in the ranks. Now we're number 8, Shiba Inu. 41, sorry, no. Was it 40 fucking 5? No. $41 billion volume today. Bitcoin did $44 billion volume. Tether is also a massive coin. It's the, you know, obviously everyone's going in and out of Tether. But regardless of Tether, Shiba Inu today did the same amount of volume as Bitcoin. Guys, Bitcoin has a $1.1 trillion market cap. A $1.1 trillion market cap, okay? So, you know, volume-wise, Bitcoin's doing 5% of its volume to market cap every day or less. Shiba Inu did 41 billion, which is the same market cap. The same amount of money and volume flushed around Shiba Inu in one fucking day And the same, and it's only got a $45 billion market cap than it did with Bitcoin. So 41 and 44 is just absolutely insane. There's a lot of people trading this, guys. There's the same amount of people trading Shiba Inu right now than there is people trading Bitcoin. And you know what? That's not even that kind of crazy, because obviously we know Bitcoin's stored a lot as a store of value, and it's used as money, and it's, you know, it's used as, you know, Gresham's laws play on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's perfect sound money. Perfect sound money, Gresham's laws means that bad money drives out good money. So Bitcoin's, you know, it's portable, durable, visible, fungible, has a great store of value, it's a fixed supply, it's undebasable by governments, it's decentralized. So all these things mean that people don't want to fucking use it or spend it or have it on exchanges in the first place. So it's kind of understandable, but like, I'd still say that $1.1 trillion market cap has only got 45 billion. It's pretty darn insane, Legends. It's pretty darn insane. Yes, I am streaming, Legends. I'm out here. Yo, guys, I need your help, actually. I need your help on this. There's 2,000 people in here. I really need you guys to sort me out on something. There's a lot of scammers, right, who use my name to scam people on Instagram. Like, I'm talking hundreds of people try and scam people on Instagram. There's 2,000 people watching this video right now, okay? If there's one thing you could do for me, guys, it's 5:50 in the morning, okay? It's 5 o'clock in the morning right now, guys. I know you're all fucking legends. I love all of you watching this stream. And if you could come over to my Instagram, guys, use the link in the description, guys. Don't go on Instagram. You'll get scammed. There's only one me on Instagram. I'll post the fucking link. I'll post this link now in the chat, okay? To make it easier. If you guys could do one thing for me right now, sign up. I'll post the fucking link here. It's going to get whizzed up here. Okay. You can see it here, guys. Let me quickly just, before it gets stolen, let me pin this message. If you guys could do one thing for me right now, Legends, please. It's 5:50 in the morning. So many people are getting scammed on Instagram. I need to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram so then I can get the tick. All right? When I get the tick, then no one gets scammed anymore, because it means that they know it's me, they know it's legitimate, they know it's my account. So if you guys can use that link I just pinned on this chat. So you see the pinned chat, Legendays, the pinned fucking chat, Legendays. If you go to that chat, I'd be humbly grateful and eternally grateful for you guys to come over and follow me on Instagram. That's enough of that. But if you could do that for me, that'd be fucking great. Because so many people are getting... some guy lost $20,000 the other day. One of my dad's friends lost $5,000. People are losing thousands on this shit. If you could just click the pin message, even if you don't have an account, just fucking hit, you know, follow, and that'd be great. Okay, yeah, so top toxic, stop provoking yourself. People stop hating you because you talk about Shiba dumps. Yeah, guys, like at the end of the day, it's yeah, it's Shiba's gonna go down, guys. Like there's no fucking way Shiba's not gonna go down. Like you can trade a fucking asset when it goes up and it goes down. Think about me. I have no emotional bias to any of the assets I trade, all right? Okay? So even with fucking Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin's gonna go up and it's gonna go into a bull market. Bitcoin's gonna go back fucking down and retrace 75% of its high. Most likely, Bitcoin's gonna go up massively in the bull market and go down 75% in the bear market. Does that mean I still don't think Bitcoin's a good fucking thing? No, I still love Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going much higher, even though I think it's going 75% down. So with Shiba fucking Inu, you fucking idiots out there who don't understand what I'm saying that the price of Shiba Inu can go up and it can go down. I still think Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are great fucking tokens for the world. They're great for cryptocurrency. They bring people into the space. They create buzz. They create fun, excitement. They're memes. They're fucking Shiba Inu and Dogecoin is amazing for crypto. All right? But the price is going to go fucking down. And don't be an idiot thinking that you're going to fucking make millions of dollars forever on Shiba. It's going to go down just like every other fucking coin goes into a bull or bear cycle. It's in a bull trend right now, Shiba. It's going to go into a bear cycle. It's going to go down. It doesn't mean I don't fucking like the asset. So shut the fuck up. It's 6 a.m. Legendays. I'm getting tired, bro. Anyway, that's my rant done. Rant done, Legendays. I love Shiba. It's great. It's a great thing, but it's going to go down in price. You can short it. Like, at the end of the day, guys, you don't have to always be long. Like, I'm looking to short Shiba. You can make money on the way up and the way down, right? If you want to long or short Shiba Inu, just use an exchange like Bybit. The link below to Bybit gives you a massive fucking bonus. You can make money on the way up and the way down. It's as simple as that. It's like, fuck, like, what is wrong with people these days? I'm from India. Do you think we should hold Shiba? It depends, man. It depends on whether it's a bull or bear cycle. You know, right now it's uptrending. It's just broken. It's just broken an uptrend. So, you know, Shiba was going up. It's in an uptrending market. It's got higher lows the whole way up. It's looking like a good asset. It's, you know, you hold it on the way up. But now you have a break of a trend line, okay? You have a break of trend with a retest, and now you could potentially see Shiba go down a little bit. But Shiba's not going to go up forever. It's going to go down, and it's going to go up and down, right? It's going to go up and it's going to go down, legend. I just don't get people sometimes. I'm just like, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, I don't know how small some people's brains are out there, but it's like, yo, I don't give a shit whether it goes up or down. I'm a trader. You see this channel? We're traders in this channel. We trade the markets. Yeah, so look, we got fucking 60K right now for Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin price action right now. Yeah, so I think Bitcoin's going to go down a little bit. I think Bitcoin's going to come down like this. I think Bitcoin's going to tag out between 52 and 55. In validation of that, you know, there might be some sort of, this could be some sort of wedge formation we have here. Maybe we get a break of this and come up. In validation of getting 55 and 52 like this would be just basically getting back above here, holding and then swinging around and breaking this level here. Ascending formation, break up, and then continuation. And I think actually Bitcoin going up would probably be you know, a bad thing for Shiba, because I think Shiba Inu is rallying because Bitcoin's quite stagnant and boring. You know, when Bitcoin slows down and the trading volume in Bitcoin diminishes and Bitcoin goes flat and say it's building up for another spring, you see quite a lot of money flooding out of Bitcoin into altcoins like Shiba because people are trying to catch the next trend. So Shiba's kind of like the crazy kind of one. Yo, let's go, bro. Nailed it. You took the short, man. So it's good to see people making money. Like, I need some water, Legenders. I need some freaking water right now. Let me put this on the 1 second and then we grab some water and then I'll be back with you in a second, okay? I'll leave Shiba Inu, everyone's favorite freaking goddamn shitcoin, there, and I'll be back in a second. Here we go, mate. Definitely need to get out of bed soon, mate. But right now I'm addicted to fucking charting out. I'm addicted to the charts, sir. Oh. My mate's just trying to get some sleep and I'm just banging on about freaking Shiba Inu right now. I'm just blasting Shiba Inu content. Oh, let's have a look what's going on then. FMT. I need some water, Legenders. Oh, you're a legende. Yo, he made 100K today off Shiba Inu. Oh, crikey, Mikey. That's some good water, man. Needed that. It's cold as well, you know. Cold freaking water. Right, guys, are you up on Shiba right now? Have you made money on Shiba or lost money? Where's your girlfriend? Yo, I'm single right now, Legenders. I'm single. I'm back. I'm back in the game. Yeah, I actually yeah, we got someone called Bit YOLO here. What's going on, Bit YOLO? Yeah, so basically, fucking, what was I gonna say? I had a girlfriend called Daria. I'm actually meeting up with Daria though soon. I'm going to Paris with Daria soon to see her again. But we broke up because I was traveling too much. It was too much effort. It just didn't really work out. But I've been back in the field, Legenders. I've been back out in the field. I've been to fucking Spain. I went to Ibiza. I'm in Portugal right now. I went to Dubai a few weeks ago. Just go on my Instagram. You can watch all the videos and shit. Let me see. What's going on right now? Let's just keep an eye on Shiba. Shiba on the 1 minute fucking bullish dive. Like, we got bearish divergence here. The 1 second, the 1 minute. It's the 1 second. It's gonna be crazy. It'll be good if I put the indicators on it as well. Harmony is like 1, yeah. Oh yeah, guys. There's okay. So basically, what you can see right now, guys. By the way, it's 6 o'clock for me. It's actually 6 a.m. for me right now. I can't believe I'm still here. This is insane. It's absolutely insane. Oh, legends! You actually smashed loads of new Instagram followers. Anyway, if you want to see all of my shenanigans of what I've been doing the last few years, just go click the pinned message now on Instagram, because on my Instagram, I'm just jetting about doing crazy shit anyway. So basically, that's kind of it. I was out all day today as well. Short the Shiba. But guys, if you're new to the channel, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. Shiba's been a pretty cool been pretty hilarious tonight. But you know what I would say is, guys, we you know, you guys, a lot of you guys took a trade I already mentioned earlier. I said you want to short this trend line. You know, we've now broken down from this upwards trending. It's basically an upwards trending market. We're beneath the EMAs now. We're beneath this trend line. We have basically overbought. It's overbought in the daily stochastic RSI. It's overbought in the 4 hour. We actually have a downtick on the 4 hour as well in terms of a bullish signal on that. So I'd say, you know, if I was to look at this, I'll be in the court of the bears right now. I already said I want to short Shiba Inu on my Twitter. I said that I'm looking for shorts. I didn't actually manage to catch this because I've been streaming this whole fucking time and I haven't got my Bybit account set. So like, look, at the end of the day, Legendes, look, fucking, I can't. I wanted to short Shiba on a deviation play here. You can actually see very, very nicely on the what am I doing? Where's my session node? Where is my goddamn session volume, sir? You can see here, guys, on session volume that actually this did play out pretty darn fucking perfectly. It literally is I'll just go through it one more time. Ascending formation, guys. So it's an ascending triangle. You can see here ascending formations are bullish formations. Here's the top side of the triangle. Here's the trend line. It came into it bullish, guys. We got a break retest. You can see the retest was there on this level. That's where all the volume happened, on this session volume. Rally up, guys, with a deviation. So it came into here, found resistance on the previous high price. Perfect, okay? And it's a deviation, okay? So it actually went above here, broke down on it. And then I said, guys, okay, when we got the breakdown, I said, when it rallies back up, short the retest of the trend line. That's when you get short. And actually, that did play out perfectly. Textbook, okay? That was a textbook fucking trade, okay? You short the retest of the trend line. It's actually the kind of the inflection point from the triangle itself, okay? So the level which got blasted through from the sell wall which got broken on the ascending formation. So actually, this is a fucking good stream because even though I didn't manage to get the fucking call, right? But it was a good for a lot of you guys watching, because if you are getting into trading, that was a perfect dynamic of how you can make money on a trade, especially on lower time frames if you're scalping. You know, I've built indicators with these indicators I built with my team. You know, they give you a long and short call anyway. You can get access to these indicators, guys, through the MDX trading portal. The link is below to the MDX trading portal, but that's another video for another day. But yeah, you know, the MDX trading portal is a way that it encapsulates all of the things I'm talking about anyway. But guys, yeah, I didn't manage to get the long or short, guys. But if you do want a freaking long or short Shiba right now, the main exchange to long and short Shiba Inu, guys, is actually Bybit. Bybit has Shiba Inu, and it's got huge volume and huge open interest happening. So, yeah, use the link below, guys, to Bybit, because if you use that link, guys, you will actually get a $3,500 bonus when you sign up, guys. All you need to do, guys, is just deposit. You get the massive bonus, and you can use that free money, guys. You can use that $3,500 to actually long and short Shiba Inu right now in the market. So use that link below, guys. It's a bonus link for you. Also, it gives me a bonus when you use it, so we both win. And then if you use Bybit to short Shiba Inu, post me your fucking trades, because I'm about to start building a short on Bybit. I'm gonna start doing a Shiba Inu short on Bybit as well. So frickin' post all of your positions. If you took a short on Shiba on Bybit, slam it in the frickin' thing right now. Can't believe I've been streaming for so long, legends. It must have been a 3-hour stream now. It's what we're getting onto. 6 o'clock. Fuck me. Here we literally. You made $2,500. Let's go, man. I only got $2,500. Legend, mate. Let's go. So yeah, that's probably. I don't know if you got the $2,500 from the bonus. Yeah, and also, guys, come and join MDX Legends. You can see it over here. This is the MDX Legends group. It's like 7,000 people strong in here who just do talking every day about shit. So like, Yeah, if you did short Doge, if you shorted Shiba Inu here, come along and post your charts in Bybit, because obviously also guys, this what you see here, guys, this is actually my website. This is actually mdxcrypto.com. So if you go on mdxcrypto.com and click on best products, you can actually see all of the other best products in crypto I use. Like everything on this website I personally use and recommend. There's nothing I don't use. So you can see all the leverage exchanges I use. You can see all the spot exchanges I use for buying and selling generally. You can see the debit cards I use. So I use crypto.com. I use the Plutus debit card. And everything on this website is good because I believe in the products. So I'm affiliates with the products. They all give me referral links. And then when you use all these links on this website, literally everything gives you a bonus. Like I think crypto.com gives you $25 for free. Plutus gives you a free debit card. BlockFi gives you like $275 when you sign up and shit. So all these things are bonuses that the companies give you. I get a bonus as well, but they give them to you. So it's a win-win for everyone. So just go on mdxcrypto.com, mdxcrypto.com, and then have a look through the website. You can get some of the bonuses from whether you want to get interest or exchanges or whatever, all that kind of jazz, you know. Yo, I haven't, you know, using session volume has been good on. I haven't actually used session volume for a while on Bitcoin because it's so slow, but because Shiba's moving so quickly, like, this is crazy, man. It's fucking crazy. I can't believe Shiba moves that quickly. Just so you guys know, don't expect too much Shiba love in here, lol. Prepare to actually learn about trading and not just Shiba talk. Yeah, so there's... I don't know how many Shiba people are in here right now. Like, okay, is the Shiba army in here? Is the Shiba army in this fucking goddamn stream, okay? Because, look, I'm all for the Shiba army. Hello, sir, how are we? Where you going, man? You gonna go for a little sleepers? I'm gonna go sleep in a minute as well. But yo, the Shiba army, okay, so like the thing about it this way, right? So I'm more than happy to bring in the Shiba army into this fucking community. Why the fuck not? But at the end of the day, guys, if you're a trader, you know, what we do not do is we do not die on the hill with our coins or our predictions. So there's a very good fucking saying which many people in this community already know, and I say it a lot, and I say that we wouldn't have gone down with the Titanic. The captain goes down with his ship. The captain of the Titanic went down with a sinking ship, and he actually died. He died in the ship. He went down with the sinking ship. So in trading, this is a no fucking go. We have no loyalty, and we have no fucking goddamn, you could say, we can't attach ourselves to things too much. We can't go down with a sinking ship because the ship is our money. And if we lose all our money in trading, we have no ammunition to fight a war. And the real reason people win wars or nations win wars isn't because the amount of tanks and guns they have, it's the amount of ammunition they can create to fire. So you need ammunition to shoot your gun. And like I would say that we don't go down with a sinking ship. We have no dignity, or we have no loyalty to our trades or our coins. This is very, very crucial because it can put you in a position where if you fall in love with your position or your altcoin or even Bitcoin or asset or Tesla stock or whatever you fucking is, your commodity, even your home is a problem. You know, you can put yourself in a position where you're not thinking logically, you're thinking emotionally, and then you can lose money. All right, so that's just basically the fucking. But the Shiba army can do what they want to do, man. Like the Shiba army can join, but like we do actual trading. So yeah, did this happen anywhere during a bull market? Okay, so what do you mean? Anything during a bull market? So, you know, right now Shiba Inu is definitely in a bull trend. All right, this is definitely a bull market trend. You know, there's a lot of volatility happening right now with Shiba, which you can see on the chart very, very obviously. Like, you can't even look at this even on a 5-minute chart. It's crazy fucking volatile. You know, this looks actually like it probably wants to have a little bit of a lever up. In terms of, this looks like it potentially could end up being some sort of W formation or double bottom. You know, we know that double bottom formations are bullish formations. I don't know if you can see this, but you know, it's almost like a bullish double bottom. You could actually get that if it results at a higher high from there. That actually would be a bullish W for a move up. You know, after this stream, guys, I'm gonna go in a minute. Probably, I can't go to bed at 7 a.m. I'll watch the fucking sunrise. But I would say that, you know, if it does want to rally back up to here, there would be another opportunity for me to look at shorting this. But we'll have to just wait and see if we get an ascending formation like that, whether it's ascending, which is bullish, right, in terms of more buyers beginning to come in, or descending, right? So something like that, okay? And what we're just waiting for, guys, is just, you know, nobody knows when the buyers or sellers are going to end up being exhausting. All we're doing is we're looking at patterns on the screen to give us an idea and increase the probability that we get it right when there are no fucking buyers left, okay? So we don't know how many, you know, it's only right now a $30 billion market cap. You know, Dogecoin, actually it's at 45. You know, Dogecoin went to 100 billion before it topped out, and I made a name for myself in crypto by fucking shorting Dogecoin, actually. I did a video which got like hundreds of thousands of views of me saying I'm going to short Doge, and then everyone thought I was fucking crazy, and then everyone said, okay, yeah, well, the difference between crazy and a genius is success, and it was a successful trade. So, you know, everyone thinks you're a fucking idiot, and then everyone thinks you're a genius. That's how this shit works. And then basically that's what I'm trying to do with freaking goddamn. It's all dogs, isn't it? You know, it's Dogecoin, it's Shiba. They won't stop fucking barking. I'm sick of it, and I want to short these motherfuckers back down into the ground and make some money. And when you short, you take from long. So I'm sorry, but your money's better off of me. Here we literally go. Guys, we're actually at more likes than we have viewers right now. It's great to see. Sell. Hold. The Shiba army is in here, man. The Shibas are Shiba Rooney. All right, guys, let me do a little bit of like housekeeping here. I'm probably gonna try and rattle this one off quickly. So, guys, if you're interested in these indicators are what I've developed. You actually get a cool TDI oscillator, which shows you basically where the momentum's going, and also you get a long and short call on this stuff. If you're interested in that, guys, in the indicators, guys, which help you trade, they basically give you a long and short call in the market. Come over to the MDX trading portal, guys. This actually is completely free to sign up for. The link is below. It says MDX trading portal. Just sign up. And if you want to get the indicators, guys, you can actually just click on MDX Premium, and you actually get access to 4 indicators, which I've developed with my team to help you trade. Also, Legendays, if you want to freaking goddamn buy or sell or long or short Shiba, check out Bybit. I personally use Bybit every single day to trade. It's a great exchange. And you can actually trade Shiba Emu on Bybit right now with USDT perpetual swaps with leverage, and you can use post-only trades and reduce-only trades. So it's an advanced trading platform, right, for people who know what they're doing. But like, you can actually trade Shiba on it right now. At the end of the day, it's a green and red fucking button. And the link below, guys, gives you a big bonus when you sign up. When you use my link, you get a bonus, guys. I get a bonus. We both win. And then you can actually use that money you get as a bonus when you start trading in the platform to actually short or long Shiba. Okay, so you can actually use the exchange for that, those specific reasons. And just to kind of elaborate on that, guys, Bybit is one of my favorite exchanges, but I would also recommend getting a Femex account as well, because Femex have loads of other altcoins you can trade as well. So Bybit, Femex, both those links below give you bonuses. And then if you have both those exchanges, guys, you're in a pretty good position to give yourself a good chance of being profitable with the best exchanges in crypto. And obviously get a Binance account, guys, if you're just looking to buy and sell. And my link gets you 10% off all trading fees within Binance. But if you're interested in this website, it's mdxcrypto.com, 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 Rooney. And then you can also get access to some other shit as well. Like there's loads of other stuff on this website you can come and have a look at. And yeah, that's pretty much it, Legenders. Let me look where we are on Shiba. It's been a freaking hilarious little night trading on this, like looking with you guys. Just to rattle this off, I'd say, look, if we get above this level here, I'd say that we go higher. So if we can get above here like that, trend line, you can actually probably draw a trend line on this already in terms of lower time frame phase. So if it wants to respect this trend line, hold this up. Like this on Shiba, like that, we get a break higher, very likely get that to the trend line, maybe actually to this level here. That's where we came in at the node, actually. So the node is yeah, the node's there. So I'd say looking at this right now, Legendays, I'd say that it probably goes like this, there, maybe down again, and then maybe get a retest of this, then back down. That would be the bullish scenario. And it's very simple. The bearish scenario is that if it comes up here and we break this trend line, then you're looking for a retest of that one and then a continuation, okay? from that level there. So that's what I'm looking at Shiba right now. Simple as that. Legendes. Legendes. But check out all the links, guys. Go on my website, do all that kind of shit. All the links are below, guys, in the description for that kind of shizzle and nizzle. Also, guys, subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, you got to subscribe, Legendes. Subscribe to this shit. Subscribe, brother. But guys, I'll hit the like button on the way out. What time is it? I got a few more minutes in me, but like, I'm absolutely exhausted right now. Just tell me in the chat right now, long or short, Legends. Long or short on Shiba, tell me in the chat right now. Fuck my ass is Billy. Are you longs or are you shorts in the thing? MDX trading pause being fired in there. Bye, 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 bye. You absolute legend. Should I sell... Daddy? Double down, sir. Can't believe it's 6 a.m. right now, man. It's crazy. Big old stream, though. Big old stream. Everyone's long. Not subscribing, brother. Come on, man. Hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. The 404's in the building. Loads of verified, guys. I'm not even verified on fucking goddamn YouTube. I need to get verified on this shizzle manizzle, man. Oh, yeah. I forgot to say as well. One last thing to say, guys. One last thing to say. There's 1,500 people in here. I posted a video today saying how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency top 5 strategies. I'd highly recommend watching that video I just posted today and watching the whole thing. I did it today, basically. And another video you might find interesting as well is top 5 trading view indicators in 2021. So if you go on my YouTube page, just basically go through, you can find these 2 videos. There's one video, the last video I posted, guys, is how to make $100 a day trading crypto. And then also, if you go into best crypto exchanges, you can watch the video about the best indicators. So I'd recommend watching that video and then the best indicators video on Z channel. Check it all out, Legendes, and I'll see you on the flip side. You are legends. That's all I can say. And I'm going to go get some sleep. I'm fucking knackered. Yeah. Use all the links below, guys. Have a good night, have a good evening, have a good day, wherever you are in the world. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good evening, have a good night, wherever you are in the world. Diamond hands. Add me on Instagram as well. You see the link there, guys, at the end. So my Instagram account, if you can add me on Insta, that'd be great. Stop spreading FUD in your tiles. Guys, I'm not spreading FUD. I'm just saying warning to all the holders. I'm giving you warning, guys. Guys, I literally just told my community when to... Okay, I literally just said to my community when I thought it was a good time to short the market, if I was going to do it. And in the looks of things, guys, I'll let the jury decide. The looks of things, a lot of fucking people took some value from that, okay, on this stream right there and then, okay? So all I'm doing is I'm giving you what I would do as a trader. I'm giving you the ideas I think of when I look at the charts. I didn't even get into a fucking short. I'm going to go probably short it right now. And the idea for me is looking for shorts. I'm looking to short Shiba Inu. It doesn't mean that I don't like Shiba Inu. I think it's a good project. I think it brings a lot of fucking value to crypto. But it's going to go down in price, I think, because it's overbought. Okay? It's gone up too far. Anyway, you're legends. I'll fucking talk to you soon. Have a great evening. Have a great night. Have a great fucking whatever. See you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.